Thursday. Happy Thursday. Hope you guys are doing good. W's in the chat. Gang, we may have an opportunity here in about 2 minutes. Looking to take advantage of this 1 hour celery play right off the rip here today. So we'll see if we get that shot. What up, everyone? Good morning. What up, Z Gamer? Z Gamer is in the house. What up, Z Gamer? What up, everyone? What up, Awareness? Ooh, what up, Awareness? Trader Next Door is in the house. What up, Trader Next Door? I know you guys are running to set your limit orders now, right? Just give it 1 more minute, and I'm gonna have sell stops here on the break of the lows. What up, Kelvin? Hey, Kelvin, how you doing, man? Who we got here today? What up, YOLO Trader? What's good, Rob Trades? What up, Level Up? What's good? What's good? What up, Freddie? What's good, Legrand? Legrand's in the house. Let's go. Who else we got here today? The one and only is in the building. It's good. The one. How y'all feeling? Everybody good? Everybody good? Welcome in. Welcome. If you guys can give the stream a like on your way in, that'd be awesome here today. Yeah. What's up, Ricardo? Good morning. What up, Ewan? Ewan's in the house. What up, Ewan? So, yeah, gang, we're looking at this potential 1 hour celery play here. I do want to see the 1 hour leave a wick. There we go. So, yeah, chat, I'm going to have sell stops on the break of these 1 hour lows here. Yep. Yeah, sell stops on the break of the lows. And that's what we're jumping into right away here today. Let's go ahead and take a look at the news, see what we got going on here today while we wait. Welcome in. What up? Oh, Moose the Jab's in the house. What up? What up? So yes, I had sell stops for about an hour here. Deleted them about 5 minutes ago and just re-added them there. But let's go ahead and take a look at the news, and then we'll kind of talk about what we got going on here. Let me lower the music. All right, cool. How's the music? Music good? All right, cool. Cool, yeah, I think that's good. But welcome in, everyone. Welcome, welcome. We got a new day ahead of us here. Welcome back to a New York live stream. It is Thursday. It is the 21st of December, and we are back at the desk, man. It feels good. Feels good to be back. Got another good day ahead of us. 2 days left of the year, so we're wrapping it up here. Whatever happens, happens, man. It's the last couple days of the year, and we're gonna see if we can get to it and take advantage of some opportunities here. So taking a look at the news today, let's pray too real quick. Father in heaven, Lord, we want to just give you grace, Lord. Just recognize you before we do anything, Lord, that you call us to do. We thank you for going ahead of us today, blessing this day. I pray you touch hearts, touch souls, and we just give you all the glory for the blessings. In Jesus' name, amen. Yeah. Blessed and highly favored in the chat. Yeah. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look at the news and see what we got. So I see it seems like we have news here at 8:30. We do have unemployment coming in as always. We also do have the final GDP here for the year, and that's it. You know, we got a bunch of orange folders and some yellow folders as we cruise through the session here today. We're just gonna have to maneuver around it, and then tomorrow, which is Friday, we have the core PCE price index, core durable goods, and the rest of this durable goods stuff here. Couple yellow folders, then another red folder here with the consumer sentiment at 10. So should be an interesting next couple days. Let's go ahead and see what we got going on here on the charts. For those that just walked in, we do have sell stops. They're not activated yet, but that is what the position will look like. It's a 1 hour celery play here on a bearish day. Let's go ahead and see why we're going to take this trade and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly time frame here on gold. As we know, we have not oh, hold on 1 second. I forgot about Zoom. Forgot about the homies.
Recording in progress.
All right. Boom. My bad, chat. Hey, like the stream while I send this Zoom link out. Thank you. All right, Zoom's good to go. Let me share my screen real quick. And I think I'm good to go too. Yeah, there we go. Boom. All right, perfect. Perfect. All right, cool. So let's take a look at the charts here. So taking a look at gold on the weekly time frame here, right? So we know we have this big exhaustion wick to the top side, which happened 3 weeks ago. We did come down. We did plant a support right here, right? And as we planted that support, price has moved up. Look, but we never broke the highs here, right? We've never broken the weekly highs. We still have 2 sessions left of this weekly candle. One thing I notice here is there's no bottom wick. So very, very little to no bottom wick on this weekly candle. If we're not breaking the highs and we're moving down, we will most likely come to make that bottom wick at some point this week, potentially even closing below support here, right? Closing below support, looking something like this, right? So there is a high probability if we do break that weekly low that we can close bearish like that this week. Let's go ahead and take a look at the daily. Daily yesterday did close bearish as well. right in this area, right? So it looks like we did a fake out on the daily time frame. All right, if you look at the daily, we kind of closed bullish above and then closed bearish back below, and you know, now we have targets down here at 2020 again, right? So if the daily candles have created a support and now a resistance, there's an 80% chance, 85% chance we come down to retest that resistance here today. So that's our anticipation on this move down, is anticipating that this daily candle here is ready to start driving down. Okay, 4 hour also looks extremely good, right? You've got a resistance formed here on the 4 hour chart where price is now breaking the lows and looking to drive down towards this support here at like 20, I think it's like 20, 30, 31 or so. So that is what we're looking at here. Going back to the 1 hour, let me just bring this all back for you guys. That is what we're looking at now. So 1 hour did close below all of this consolidation here. Let me just remove it one more time. Right, you've got this range here, you've got a support level here, and then below that is super clean candles coming down towards like 20, 30. So if we're breaking the lows here now, we should begin to drive, right? We should begin to drive to fill this range at some point. It looks like we did create resistance as well on the 30 and the 15. Yeah, so 15-minute celery as well there. So yeah, everything looks good. I think I've been activated in this trade. Yes. Yeah, so I've been activated here, and now stops are sitting above the previous candle highs, right? The previous 1 hour highs. And yeah, we're gonna let this thing do its thing. Cool. Recording in progress. So got activated here in this 1 hour celery play. Stops are going to be kept above 2036 here. Not the previous high, but the previous candle's high, right? I'm going to look to take profit down here at this support level towards 2025. And then in terms of managing this trade, okay? So in terms of managing this trade, as we come down into this support level right here, which also on the 30-minute is this wick area. You guys see this wick, this little zone where it wicks? So I'm going to go break even at that point. As we start moving down into the further wick area, that's where I'm going to close partials. I believe that's going to be about 30 pips. About 30 pips in profit, and then I'm just going to let the rest of it run. So that's the trade, gang. Yep, 1 hour celery play here. 30-minute looks good to continue down. 15 also looks really good to continue down. And yeah, that'll be it. Cool. Awesome. Yeah, early one today. Yep. Be water, my friend. How y'all doing today? Good? Hey, I love you too, Joe Fargo. I really do. If you're a Quaker, don't take this trade. This has a 90% chance of winning, 10% chance of losing. So the odds are in our favor, and we're gonna let it rock. But if you're a Quaker, close now and profit. Quaker disclaimer. Nice, nice. Hey, love you too, Kelvin. Yo, what up, Mr. Volatility? Yeah, daily looks pretty good to continue driving. Same thing with the 4-hour here. TTW is in the house. What up, TTW? What up, Sergio? TTE Bank Santos is in the building. Perez is in the house. What up, Randall? Randall's in the building. TK's in the house. What up, TK? Good to see you, bro. How you doing? What up, Green? Good morning. Good morning, Jeanette. Or Janet. Jeanette? Yeah, I think Jeanette. Peacemaker, how you doing? What up, YOLO Trader? Where's Johnny Boy? I don't know. I do not know. All I know is I'm here. I'm here, ready to roll. Let's go ahead and take a look at pound yen and all that good stuff as well here. Let me just move my chat over here too. Is everyone in Zoom? All right, cool. TK. Yo, we sent that signal out like an hour ago too, man. A little bit over an hour ago. Yeah. All right, let's take a look at GJ and Nasdaq and all that stuff. Let me just move this. All right, cool. All right, taking a look at pound yen here, right? We do have a bearish day ahead of us. Let's take a look at the weekly. Weekly looks like it's ready to go. We did respect the highs here. Remember, the big closure happened on the weekly here when we closed below support finally, right? So weekly candle has spent the entire week making a top wick. It respected the high of the previous candle, and now it looks like we're ready to drive. You know, if we start breaking this low here, you should see a move down. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like on the daily. We did close bearish here on the daily. And we didn't really create the best top wick. We do have a support level right here, right ahead of us. So, you know, that's a little bit rough, right? But below that is pretty clean move and a wick fill as well, coming down towards like 178 here. So let's see how we could potentially target that today. Yeah, let's see. We got major support right here, right? We got major support. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour as well. Got some strong supports right here. You also have a resistance right here. Boom. We do have the most recent level of support here, but below that is support, and then same thing, you know, same thing and same thing pretty much. So yeah, unless we get some type of move back up here where price creates a resistance, then I don't think we can really take sells within, you know, this zone right here. So yeah, just probably gonna wait on some better price action here for GJ. If we can come back up and get like a fake out back here and then like a double top or whatever, then I think we would be good to continue down. So I'm not sure if we did that here, but we'll wait for it now because, you know, this is us. We're in our session now. So not too bad on the 30-minute. There is a range below, but it's choppy. I'd rather take my sells from up here today. So let's see if we can get that, and then, you know, we'll revisit pound yen here in a bit. But if not a fake out, then we could take range 2 buys above. Yeah, range 2 buys above, but it's just ranging now. So let's see if it can get out the range here. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and yeah, don't worry about GJ just yet. I'm not going to take these sells here, and I'm also not going to take any, sells down here. So if we can get that move back up, looking something like this, all right, some candles moving up, boom, and then get a resistance up top here, then I would be much happier taking my sells from up top here, right? So that's what I'm going to look for GJ today. And hey, you never know. GJ may surprise us again. So let's go ahead and just wait on that. Let's take a look at Nasdaq as well here, so we can see what we got going on with Nas 100. Damn, crazy move yesterday. Or that was earlier. Holy crap. All right, let's start on the weekly here, and let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly. We just cracked all-time highs here on the weekly for the Nasdaq, so we don't have any traffic to the left. Daily did close bearish, which is a good sign. We do want to see some pullbacks here. So if we are looking for sells today, this looks like that is the new daily top wick, right? So if we can create a resistance here on the 4-hour, then I think sells are going to start to come into play here today. So we want to see the 4-hour do something like this. And then what is the famous move, gang? Right? A move down, a support formed, a move up, a resistance formed, and then a retest of that support. And that retest, if we get a bearish closure to on the 4-hour here in an hour and 45 minutes, then that's going to be the idea for us to take sells here today, anticipating that the daily candle will start to move down. So we got to wait here on the 4-hour. 1 hour is creating a little bit of a range, 30-minute as well. So yeah, it looks pretty good. Probably going to wait for the 4-hour before anything here, but this is the range that you're currently trading in. So yeah, for those that want to take trades before the 4-hour close. So that's what I'm looking at here for Nas 100. But I really want to see the 4-hour close bear. Yeah, if we can get the 4-hour to close bearish, then there may be an opportunity for us to execute on our playbook. Cool. That's just for you guys know I'm still sample sizing till we come back. So that's for all you guys, and that's also for me to have an analysis there for a trade. Hey, what up, Stephen B? Good morning, fam. Gold, yeah, we're in a gold sell right now. Yep. Yeah, we're in gold sells. Currently off of this 1-hour celery play here. Yeah, gold looks pretty good to continue down. We got 43 minutes left in this 1-hour candle. It may take some time, but we're gonna wait on it. What up, Michael? What up, what up? Hey, yo, what up, the captain, commander? How you doing? Yeah, what I am going to do in this trade, though, is move my stops to the previous 1-hour highs. We should not break those highs. Right, if we want to go down, we could break those highs, but that means we're most likely going to want to move up. So I'm just going to minimize risk a little bit on this trade. Yeah. Am I activated? Yeah, I'm activated here. $15-minute support. Yeah, I did see the 15 support right there. But we did close very nicely, right? We did have like a 15-minute celery, and then you also had this 30 close bearish as well here. So plus the 1-hour celery. So I'm pretty cool with this trade. If we lose it, it's a simple playbook position that I'm happy losing. If we win, it's a simple playbook position that I'm happy to win. Are you in the crypto market? I have some crypto, yeah. Are you in the crypto market? Do I have a WhatsApp? No, I only have a Discord. Yeah, you guys can pop in our free Discord if you like. Free Discord. I think we got like over 6,000 people in the Discord, man. Needs to grab that liquidity. Yeah, maybe. Learn risk management from me? Oh, nice. Well, you're going to learn so much more on risk management as we move into 2024. Yeah, we're going to become experts at managing positions. Losing ones and winning ones. Share the Discord link. It should be in the chat in just a moment. Yeah, we're going to get tapped here. 4 hour moving back up. Yeah, I don't know. We should respect that. If we want to move down, we should respect the high. All right, but we did break these lows already. We never broke that low down there. So that could be an issue for us, but you know, system calls for entry, so why is your lot size so accurate? That's because I'm trading with a percentage. So it's just it's calculating it to the percentage I'm using. That's my favorite lot size, 39.21. Nah, I don't have WhatsApp. Nope. Nah, just Discord. Just Discord. Some of you guys got stopped. I might get stopped here too. Did I get stopped? I think I might have got stopped there. Yeah, stop that one on the 1 hour seller play too. So yeah, W trade, got to take that. System calls for an entry there, so got to do it. It's my lucky number? Nah. Yeah, lucky number. Yeah, let's see if it respects that previous high. That was our original stop up here. But if we're breaking that high, there's a very high chance we hit full stops on that. Still in? You kept the previous stops? Yeah, that may work. That may work. I forget the stop loss. There is no stop loss. Why I say W trade? Because it's always a W. As long as you're acting on your edge in trading and you're acting on the data that you know works, the data that you've collected, it's a W. The outcome of the trade never really matters. You know, of course you want to win the trade, right? No one wants to lose the trade, but you have to act on your edge at all times in the markets. That's how you get an opportunity for probability to play out. And, you know, we have a very high probability setup. That was also a very high probability system. And that was also a very high probability trade. So that was that was one of our best setups right there. So got to act on it, and just being disciplined enough to be aware of it, see it, act on it, execute, that is a W. Yeah. No stop loss strategy. No stops. This month 1K to 200. That's all right, man. That's okay. You'll be all right. If you're in this thing for the long haul, you won't worry about that. Yeah. A journey of life. I hope you have a blessed Thursday too. Can you explain the entry? Yes, absolutely. So the reason the trade was taken, right, is because the daily is bearish here, right? So daily candle closed bearish. We close back in the range. If we get rid of everything here, you'll see that daily close creating resistance, right? This candle right here. So we got a resistance formed. Therefore, this daily candle should make a top wick and then begin to drive down to retest that support right there. Right, so that's the idea for the sells here today, is anticipating this daily candle to begin to move down. Right, so now we go to the 4 hour, and as we take a look at the 4 hour, the 4 hour also closed bearish. Right, so the 4 hour also closed bearish, creating a resistance right here. So you kind of got this high, this low, this higher low, and price should come down to retest that low and then potentially fill that wick on the 4 hour time frame. So what does that look like on the 1 hour? Well, you had a nasty range right here, right? Nasty range that price was in, just consolidating. Below this support level here, right? We have sells below here. Below that support is all clean traffic, right? All clean traffic to the left right here. So we were anticipating that, being that the daily was bearish, right, and the 4 hour created resistance and was bearish, and the 1 hour closed below all this support with clean traffic to the left, then planting our best setup right here, which is a 1 hour celery play, we have to take positions on the break of these lows. It's not up to me, right? It's not up to how I'm feeling this morning. It is a clear standout setup that we wait for every single day. So that was the move, right? That was what we were anticipating to happen, was the daily to continue down, the 4 hour to continue ripping down as well, and then the 1 hour to drive down looking something like this. Yep, and then we had like break even here, partials here, and that was the trade. Yep. That was it. Simple. You got a course right here. Free course every day. Free course. Free course. Yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at pound yen. GJ's just gonna chop around here. We have no top wick here on this candle. So like I said earlier, I think if we can come back up here and create a resistance, it would be much better for us, excuse me, to take our sells from 181 up there. So like something like this, you know, price move up, come up here, maybe even do somewhat of like a fake out and have candles close back in the range, right? Something like this. And then we could look at take our sells from up here, right? Selling back towards support. And then if it does close below, you may see a continued move down. Yeah. I've learned a lot from you, brother. Hey, I'm happy to hear that. What's my Insta? My Insta is, I'll pull it up here in a second. Insta. Right here. We win next time? Hey, maybe. Maybe we win. Maybe we won't. But all year, our stats for the year say that we win about 7.5 trades out of 10. 7.5, right around there out of 10. So maybe we win the next one. Maybe we lose. Right? It's like rolling a die. Maybe we roll a 1 next time. Maybe we don't. How to draw a line? How to draw a line? What do you mean? Oh, yeah. Where's John? Where's Johnny? Holy. Yeah, look at that. Back in the range we go. What's your lot size? My lots always change. So my lots could be 20 lots. It could be 40 lots. It all really depends on the size of my stop loss and what I'm risking. So typically I'll risk like 2% per trade. And, you know, that'll be whatever. It'll calculate it for me. Yeah, well, I would recommend getting a tool like Magic Keys, or like any type of position size calculator. That way you don't have to do the math and think about it. Otherwise, if you don't have that, you're going to have to, you know, do the math. $30-minute close, very little to no top wick. Yeah, but we got to wait now. We got to wait. There's no setup here. Yeah, the last really, really good setup was the one that we took, the 1 hour celery. Now we just got to sit tight and wait for another good opportunity. Do I use Magic Keys? I do, yeah. Yep. Is it okay to trade next week? Yeah, sure. Sure. I'm not going to trade at all next week. I'm going to be traveling a little bit and doing some stuff and all that. So I'm not even going to be looking at the charts. But maybe the first week of January I'll take a peek. Yeah, second week of January we'll start trading again. Let's update the record. Yeah, let's do it. Did we put that B in yesterday? I don't. Did we? I can't remember. Chat, you guys remember? Did we put that B in? No? Alright, cool. Let's put it in. Alright, sweet. Oh, yo, a lot of you guys took a win on that trade yesterday, right? Yeah, nice job. That was beautiful. GJ handing them out, man. Yeah, I know we didn't put, we already put the B. Oh, I'll have to go back and watch the stream. The beginning of it. Let me check the beginning of yesterday's stream. Oh, damn. 18,000 views on yesterday's stream. Wow. 11. No, we didn't put the B yesterday. Nope. All right, cool. Yeah, we'll leave it like that. We also have to mark these two trades up. By the way, gang, I'm going to be using I just started a TradeZella account. Going to be using them guys now. So I'm probably going to really get into tracking everything on there. I'll still use the tracker that we're using, but if any of you guys want, there's a link. They're basically the first partner with TTE, so we partnered up with them, and I'm working on seeing if we can get like a big discount. I'm trying to see. I know they have like monthly and yearly, so I don't know how it works and how that would work on their end, but you know, we're still going back and forth through email and stuff. But yeah, we just got them guys on board, so we're gonna be tracking all of our accounts on TradeZella in 2024, so it's gonna be sick. What up, Pablo? Yeah, if you guys want TradeZella or create an account, there is a link now that I have that they gave me, so you guys can get it through that link as well. Yesterday's trade was 10:30. All right, 10:30, I believe. Beautiful GJ. 12, 20. Yeah, as you guys can see, not really trading much here in December. Yesterday, onion. And then today, I believe we got activated at 7, right? 7 a.m. Yeah, I really wanted that trade to pan out for 6 a.m. because I have my sell stops there at like 6. I forget. I got to see when the first signal went out. But we had sell stops at like 6:05. So I've noticed a lot of volume there on the 6 a.m. candle. I was really hoping to get activated then, but got activated at 7. So we got celery. Yeah, 1 hour celery, man. That 1 hour celery don't miss at times. I'm also going to start putting percentage here, I think, instead of pips. I think that'll help out a little bit better too. I don't know how many pips that was though. $19. Oh. All right, cool. What's the difference between TTF risk calculator? I don't know. I've never actually heard of that one. Yeah, I never heard of that one. But yeah, I'm gonna be looking into so as we break this year, I'm gonna be looking into a lot of futures brokers. I think I narrowed it down to 2, and I'm most likely gonna be using them to for my personal capital. So yeah, I want to move all my capital under a regulated broker, and I'm gonna do that. So I'll let you guys know my experience with all that, but that should be fun. Wow, gold, look at that, man. 4 hour just completely reversed, and looks like we may create support. Interesting. Who are the brokers? The one broker I'm looking at is AMP. is AMP. These guys right here. They also have MT5, it looks like, too. So yeah, they're a futures broker. And the other one I was looking at was, I believe they're called Trade of 8. But I think AMP, if any of you guys use futures, let me know. That 1 minute thing? Nah, we won't be on the 1 minute. Yeah, I'm still going to analyze the charts here on TradingView. You know, and I'm still going to have the funded accounts. But for personal capital, I want to get it under US regulation. I hate having loads of money in Wakanda land, traveling through the Bitcoin universe. I've never gotten screwed, but I don't like the process. Risk management for prop firms? I would just stick to 1 to 2% per trade. As long as you can stick to quality, you know, good playbook setups that you have, then 1 to 2%. If you're an over trader and you over risk a little bit, then maybe lower that down, you know, so maybe like 0.5% to 1% to give you some room. MFF is back. Oh yeah. Top Step is good. Yeah, I know a few people who use Top Step. This candle looks sus. Very sus. Yo, the 4 hour was ready to drop. Look, we broke the 4 hour lows there. So, you know, we got to take that position. What you think with BTC? I think it's a good long-term investment. Just like any investment, though, it could go sour, it could go south. But I think from the information that we have, you know, big players have stepped into the market. I think, you know, like big players like BlackRock and, you know, some of these huge companies that pretty much own everything. You know, I don't think Bitcoin is what it was anymore, but I think it's a good long-term hold. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see in about 5, 10, 15 years. Top steps for futures? Yes. Yeah. Yeah, this guy right here, this, yep. Yeah, that may be it, Forex Frank. Am I gonna take buys on this closure? What time is it? About to be 8 a.m. Possibly. I think we need to. I think I might wait for news to come out here. Yeah. Oh, Yanosh. What up, Yanosh? BTC doubling, baby. Hey, I'm excited. You know, I think a little bit of luck played into it. I think a little bit of good information played into it, but you know, I got out of all my crypto at a perfect time, man. Perfect time, but I just recently got back into the Bitcoin market here, right here in late September. So I didn't even know this was going to happen. I just decided that, you know, we were kind of coming down here and making this higher low now, and why not put some capital in there. So yeah, we just took off, man. you know, I didn't know this was gonna happen. I just wanted to get back into the market. So yeah, we ended up taking off. So we're sitting good now. We're probably gonna pull back and stuff. Like I said, this is most likely you know, things that I'll hold for years. Yeah. Yeah, you see how the market's in cycles here, right? Boom, one bull cycle, you know, possibly another one. So yeah, I wasn't in on the first run up. Gold weekly or monthly is nasty too. Real nasty. Yeah, so if you guys have struggled to trade gold this month, don't worry about it. What would be the next resistance on gold? Right here. 2042 500 here. That's going to be your next resistance. You've got pretty clean traffic coming up. Looks pretty good above here. Yeah, we are bearish on the day though, but man, this right here may be an indication that we move up. So we'll see. Yeah, bull traps coming. That's fine. It's alright. Oh, nice options since early 2017. That's sick. So if you stayed in for the whole cycle, then you have become a man. You have become a man at this point. Got some hair on your chest now, right? Yeah, I have friends that are so deep in Bitcoin, man, but they stayed composed, man. They stayed solid throughout everything. So patience will be rewarded. He got them diamond hands, you know. Did we make the bootcamp registration link? We're probably gonna put it up on the site, so I wanted to hold off. Give me one more day if I don't have any information, because we have the website and everything that we were just probably gonna put it on there, so you guys can go register there. But give me one more day on the boot camp, and we'll get everything situated. What's good, Travis? Is your playbook available for sale? No, no way. This is all free. I didn't make this stuff up, right? I go and I look for successful people in the areas that I want to be successful in, and I just duplicate, right? So I learned this from someone, and someone else learned it from someone else, and someone else learned it from them. But this is all free information on the charts. All we do is have a couple setups that we collected data on that we know works 80% of the time, and we act on that edge. So all you have to do is understand what the patterns are, how to do a top-down analysis, and then begin to trade that. Along the way, you'll figure things out. You know, you'll figure out what works better and what doesn't work as good, or what time works better and all that stuff. But yeah, this is all free because you can see it every day. Just started reading the Bible? That's really good. That's really good. How do you like it? You said 90%, now 80%? I said 90% for this celery play. I said 80% overall. Yeah. Yeah, the move that we took on the celery has a 90% win rate, 92% win rate on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, it's been good to us. Overall strategy though is probably like 70. It's been about 80% for the last couple years. I think we're gonna fall around like 70-75% this year. Did you ever read the Quran? I have. Yep. I haven't like really read the entire thing and did full studies and, you know, all into it, but, you know, like I have with the Bible. But yes, I have read the Quran. I do have a lot of Muslim friends, and we have awesome, healthy, friendly debates all the time, which I love. They're some of my favorite conversations. Muslims are some of my favorite people in the world. So yeah. What's the website? Oh, the website? Yeah, I'll put the link out for you. Yo, I messed up. I'm out of excess, man. It's my last one. I got a delivery pulling up today though, but the last 2 times, man, I pushed it. I'm pushing it. Moose the jab, yeah. Do you think trading is gambling? With an edge. With an edge. So there is a fine line between gambling and being a professional. All right, gambler, professional. Professional trades. Data. Gamblers trade. Dopamine. Oh, sorry. Dopamine. Data or dopamine? What are you doing? What are you doing is the question, gang. You trading data or you trading dopamine? What's it going to be in 2024? You going to be a gambler or a professional? When I was on this side, I lost money. When I hopped over to this side, I started to make money. That's it. That's the answer for you. Stick to professionalism. When I was on this side, I was a very sad man. Crying. When I was on this side, I became a very happy man. Yeah. Your pick. Yes, yes. You want dopamine, but you want it from data. And this is a very fine line here, ladies and gents. Very fine line. Yep. One little slip up puts you back in the gambler section. Boom, boom. Yeah. Don't cry no more. Across the river. What up, Bree there, buddy? Who are you, man? Who are you? Dopamine more fun? Hey, have as much fun as you'd like. Making money funner. Making money funner. I am going to surprise my wife here. I'm going to give her a no budget shopping spree for her push present. Any of you guys any of you married men who have wives that have had children, you guys give them a push present? She doesn't know yet. Hopefully she's not watching. She ain't watching. What time is it? Psh, no, not a chance. Probably. Wow, this 4 hour really turned around, did us dirty here. Holy. How long you been trading real versus demo? Real for 3 years, and then, you know, challenges and, you know, funded accounts for about 2. Yeah, 2.5, I think. Yeah, I still have a live account too at Dominion Markets. Yeah, so I trade that along with this account. Like I took a loss on that account too today. What up, Pirate? Do I trade news? I don't trade the news release. Very, very rarely do I do that. Typically, I'll try and maneuver around it. A buy on GJ? I don't see any buy on GJ. Man, if I said that in Roger's chat, holy. I can hear him now. This whole ling. All right, 3 minutes for the NY Open here, so we'll see how we pan out. Never closed above on the 15, 30, ducking back below, 1 hour as well, so we'll see what happens. Oh yeah, please be careful for all the Nick Stews, man. I seen TK posted in the Discord, he got rid of like 8 fake accounts of me, so yeah, don't put it like this. I am never I'm never gonna message you on any platform. If you message me, there's a high chance I'll get back to you, but I'm never gonna actually message you. Never gonna be the first one to be like, hi, how's it going? How's your trading doing? Would you like to sign up for my handy dandy super duper trooper whooper 100% accurate copy trader today? All you have to do is invest your whole entire life savings, and if you can, get your parents' life savings as well, and your wife's parents' life savings, and we'll multiply that in 15 to 20 minutes, and we'll get right back to you, I promise. Nothing to be sketched about. Yeah, that ain't going to be me. That's most likely not the real Nick. That's the clone. Sounds like a great deal, doesn't it? There is not a specific link, so if you just click the links that are already there, that'll we already have track of it on our back end. Oh my god. First day got 3 messages from different Nicks. Oh man. Future Frank, Forex Frank. What's going on? Oh, we mentioned futures and everyone's tweaking. Oh yeah. Just kidding, gang. Scratch all that. Just forget I said it. See the cross in the back. Lots of people on social media like to not bring due to possible hate. Hey man, if they hate, if they hated Jesus, what makes me any difference, right? But I'm happy and I'm honored, man, to talk about Jesus and to talk about what he's done in my life, and I'll do it publicly and I'll do it boldly, and it's an amazing thing to do. We're not best buds anymore. Sent you all my Bitcoin. Yo, options. Damn. Nick's through art is stacking Bitcoin now. And your wife's boyfriend. Yeah. Also try to read the Quran. Hey, yeah, this must be your first time here, man. Or you must have just got here too. Yeah, I love my Muslim friends. Like I said, I think they're some of the greatest people in the world, and I have just so much fun in friendly conversations and productive debates. It's awesome. So if you believe that, that's great. I believe what I believe because of what has happened and things that, you know, not things that I was taught, but things that I felt, right? And, you know, a lot of times you just catch these things, right? When the Spirit fills you, you know, boom, there's no other truth. This is the truth. Everybody love everybody. Yeah, we love everybody. All right. So NY opens here. We did close bullish. We did close below that resistance to the left, which is the range that we're looking at. So nothing here. Let's take a look at pound yen. GJ is still in the range as well. I'm not going to take any sells here. We got, you know, support. So let's take a look at Nasdaq, see what's going on there. Same thing with Nas 100. 1 hour closed, or 1 hour closed above, but you do have this 30-minute resistance here that we closed bearish back below. So I think if you can get a closure back above on Nas, right, and creating the support, notice how this candle has no bottom wick, right? If you can get something like that, then I think the buys could be valid, right? Definitely. But other than that, I believe we are bearish here today, right? Yeah, daily did close bearish, but yeah, it does look pretty good. I really want to see how the 4 hour is going to close here. I don't want to get faked out on the 1 hour 30. I want to see how the 4 hour is actually going to close here, and then we can kind of have a better read on it. You know, because if we can close resistance, then there's a high chance that, you know, we'll start to push down on the daily candle here. So close resistance and then possibly a move down. Yo, when the scammers come, just ask them, be like, yo, what's your favorite drink? Because you guys know my favorite drink, right? I'm not going to show you guys. But like, what does it mean when Alea comes in the room? You know, only us, only we know these things, right? The scammers they're actually pretty stupid because they don't even watch the stream. Well, some of them do. Yes, you. Hi, scammer. We're talking about you. All right, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back. we go. Push-ups. Eight trades taken this week. Only 2 wins. How pathetic. How pathetic of a comment. What is your name? Hater? Hater. Yo, what up, Shad? Shad's in the building. What up, Shad? What made you choose Forex over other things? Nothing really. I started out trading what was it called? Like high frequency Forex. What's that called again? I forget. But yeah, I started out trading like some weird style, and then eventually just found Forex and never really looked into like stocks or anything else for the most part. Just found Forex, started studying it. I was trading like GBP, JPY, AUD, USD, GBP, AUD, GBP, USD. So GBP pairs typically during the London session. And, you know, then I took a liking to gold, and that's when I was getting ready to have a baby and stuff. So I switched over to the New York session. That way it just fit better for my schedule. And yeah, it also, I love trading gold. So I don't know why I just caught a liking to gold and decided to dedicate every day to it. What was my first account balance? I think I started with like a $500 account. Yeah, it was either like a $500 or like a $200 account, something like that. Did I learn from Don? Yeah, I learned a lot from Don. Yep. Gold's my best friend. Yo, Sandman. What's good? How we feeling? Yeah, we got news coming out here in about 20 minutes. Good old unemployment claims. Let's see. My brother watched US oil. Oh, nice. Yo, what up, Scott? What's good? How we feeling today, brother? Do you think it's better to grow a $1,000 account or start a funded, considering that you've got a good win rate percentage? I think both if you can. I think if you can do both, link them both up to a copy trader. If it's one or the other, and you, let's say, don't necessarily need money right now, then go the funded route. You know, go the funded route. You'll sit on an account maybe for, it could be a couple weeks, maybe even 2 or 3 months, but eventually you'll have a large capital. to trade with, right? But if you're looking to get paid and looking to, you know, take trades right here and cash out now, then I would just go with the $1,000 account. If you could do a little bit more, you know, that's better, but yeah. But if you could do both, that's going to be your best bet. Oh, hero of the day is in the house. Okay, let me get my act together here. Yo, you're funny, bro. All right, all right. Your brother watched US oil. We got it. We got it. I've worked $100 accounts to 2 to 4K a few times. Yeah, yeah. In this type of business, right? You want to take some profit. You know, if you got it, you wanna grab it. Right? If your account is doing really good and you took 100 to 4,000, then you know you should take out like 3,000. Pay your bills. Where did I learn the strategy from? I learned a lot from Raja, and I also learned a lot from Don. Yeah, those are the ones that really helped me hone in on this strategy, and then you know, just my own experience as well kind of helped tie it together. Yeah, like, you know, that's the ultimate way to learn, right? My mentor would always tell me, hey, if you're gonna walk through a minefield, follow someone, right? If you're gonna learn a skill set, well, follow someone who is already doing good in that area, right? And listen to them, right? Take notes, understand what it is that they're doing, why they're getting the results that they are. Scramble it up in your own brain, right? And make sense of it, and then you'll come up with your own, you know, system that's very similar, you know, if not exactly the same, but maybe a little bit different, just based off your experience, right? So, like as I began to get really good, you know, there was some trades where Raja or Don took that I didn't like, you know, and I didn't take it, right? I didn't sit in the chat and quake, right? I just didn't take it because I didn't like it, you know, or there was some trades that I took and they didn't like, right? And they didn't take it. So, you know, but 85% of the time we were taking the same exact trades for the same exact reasons. And that was the most important part, you know, but you'll have your little differences and what you like a little bit better compared to what, you know, maybe I like. So, you know, you can kind of, you know, develop the foundation by watching the streams, and then you'll start to, you know, see different things that alert you or that you like or don't like, and you can kind of, you know, make your own thing out of it. Bugatti. Yo, what up, Alan? Alan Forex. See, we closed that resistance and right down we go. My Instagram, I already put it up. If you kind of scroll, I still have it right here. Here, it's my IG. Yeah, Discord and Instagram, gang. I'm never gonna hit you up, right? I'll hit you back, but I most likely won't hit you up. Well, I'll never hit you up. Yeah. Yeah, we have most of our trades too that we post here. So this is my page. We have we post a lot of the trades that we take, and yeah, this is kind of turned into like a Forex page at this point, a trading page. Yeah, got some good books here too. If you guys are new, you never visited my IG, got some really good books that have made an impact in my life. I think they could help you out as well. Yep. But yeah, you guys can come visit all and check out all the trades that we take. I've been trading about 5 years. It took me about 2.5 years to really get some traction and start to become profitable. The first 2.5 years was, you know, just me doing what every other trader does. You know, looking in the beginning, looking for signals, looking for the easy way out, looking to copy, looking to make money and do nothing. Then I realized that that really wasn't going to work, and I hated losing money on someone else's, you know, signal when I didn't even know what the heck why I was winning or why I was losing. So that's when I just started to do my own independent studies on trading. And yeah, first bumped into actually the first course I ever took was Lambo Raul, and learned, honestly I can't really remember what I learned, but I did learn some things that got me involved. After that was Swaggy C, and I had an intraday strategy that I was trading for a while, and then bumped into Raja and Don, and yeah, everything changed from there. What's your dream car? Ferrari 488 Pista. David. What's an onion strategy? It's not a strategy, it's just a move. So like, let's say you were looking for sells, right? Say you're looking for sells today and price had drove down and you missed all this, right? You missed this big move, and now what you have to do is you have to wait for a pullback, right? So as you wait for that pullback, right, bullish candles come up, they form, and let's say you get a resistance formed. We just call this the onion play. It's just what I learned. And basically you're bearish on the day, but you can't take your sells down here, right? Because you're a little too low. So you want to wait for a pullback, wait for a resistance. As you create that resistance, this is what we call the onion play. So this is the trade, right? So this is your confirmation candle right here. And yeah, this one right here, confirmation that there's an onion available. And then this is your trading candle. Yep. Yep. Celery play. So in terms of the celery play is, this is what the setup looks like. It's a simple chart pattern. It's just got to make sure you understand where it's closing and all that good stuff. But let's say this is the range right here, right? This is the range, and you close something like this: weak bullish, weak bearish, and then that's your confirmation candle, and then the next candle is your trading. All right, entry on the break of the lows there. Am I going to do a trade? Yeah, probably. Yeah, we'll probably do a couple trades here today. We're gonna have a trade-off. We're gonna trade today. We're gonna trade today. Did I do Raja's course? Yes. Yep. Yeah, I studied Raja and Don very well. Studied both of them very well. Is there any scenario where the celery play is not valid? Yeah, so if you kind of close like within the range, I don't like to take them. So like, let's say you're looking for a bull, like let's just say we're bullish on the day and we close like this, right? And there's a resistance right here at the top, and then you get a celery play. Typically, I won't take these ones because we're still in the range, and a lot of times they won't work out. But if you're outside of the range, then it makes it a whole different story. Like if it's something like this, where you're outside of the range, then and there's clean traffic to the left, then most likely you will see this play out like 9 times out of 10. Not every time, but which course? All of them. Market fluidity, SRC, everything he's ever done. I would say the past couple months I haven't been too like on top of either of their content, but yeah, before that I studied the daylights out of them guys. I love months like December because that's when the Quakers show up. Yeah. Yeah, as I said yesterday, gang, I'm still trading, but I'm not like pushing it here, I'm just, if there's good setups, I'll take them, but I done blew past mostly every goal I set in the beginning of the year, so at this point I'm just on cruise control, right? We got 2 days left. It's not, about to finish up the year. It's like you guys remember like the last couple days of school? Who remembers that? You just that's where we're at right now. But what a year it's been. What a year it's been. We're going to do some sort of recap. We'll go live during the break at some point and really hammer down on some things that we learned this year and talk a little bit. Yeah, I lost 100K without even knowing why I lost it. Yeah, that's something that's one thing I wanted to avoid, right? And that's why I wanted to get away from, depending on someone else, like in a signal. Like I didn't even know how to trade. Like I didn't even know like where the buy button or the sell button was. So if you're doing that, I don't think that's a good idea. But if you're in it and learning, then that's a different story. But yeah, you want to know why you lost. Is there another account I trade without you guys? Nah. I have this account with a copy trader, so I don't really trade with, anything I do trade is either on the stream or in the signals channel. Grade 11, by the way. Yo. Green, imagine if we were doing this in grade 11. Holy. Damn, bro. Green. I don't know if that's what you're saying sheesh to, but sheesh. Sheesh, bro. Yeah, it's going to be an amazing year. 2024 is going to be the best year of a lot of our lives. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Legrand, that's smart, that's good. Yo, we'd be rich. We'd be billionaires. Yeah, it's all good. Yeah, that's how we learn, right? That's how we learn. So it's all good. It's all good. Money can always be made back, but you're gaining experience in the market, and that's the most important thing. So win, lose, or draw, it's all good. As long as you're learning, as long as you're following something concrete day in and day out that you're consciously collecting data on, you're gonna figure this thing out. You know, some people figure it out a little bit sooner than others. Other people take a little bit longer. Everyone's story is a little bit different, but most of us go through the same exact journey. But some of us just kind of snap in or out of it a little bit quicker, and you know, you got to just run your race. You know, I never mind putting in the work, but I never wanted to put in more work than I had to, if that makes sense, right? I didn't mind investing and, you know, losing or learning money, but I didn't want to lose more than I had to, if that makes sense, right? So a lot of times we tend to continue to bang our head on the wall or on the door when we can just turn the doorknob and open it and go through, right? It's these little decisions that when I explain them, they sound so easy, but it's a lot harder to implement, a lot harder to actually stay, you know, grounded on and disciplined to every single day. That's why the majority of people are not successful, right? The majority is going to be your average, right? Because you have to be way beyond and above average to attain success in life. You know, and that means you got to learn early, right? You got to learn your mistakes. My mentor would tell me, dude, fail and fail often. Fail as quick as you can, right? Don't worry. Your job, and when you start something new, the job is to fail a bit, right? So you can learn and grow and, you know, become better in that area. Oh, brother, starving. All right, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back. All right. All right, so news is going to come out here. We're back in the range we go, and we'll see where we come out from news. Let's go, Louis G. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you got to think about your family, man. Yup, can't trade with the grocery money either. That's true. That's true. Otherwise, you trade under pressure all day long, right? Every trade you take is you got so much pressure on you. And, you know, pressure is a privilege. You know, some people thrive on pressure. Some people fold on pressure. But, you know, you don't really want to be trading with the grocery money. Sell or buy? Buy or sell? Now came to know about funded accounts. Yeah, imagine if you found that out first. Let's see how the 4 hours doing here. So 4 hours, so really tricky 4 hour candle here. Broke the lows, broke the highs. This thing's all over the place. It's got 30 minutes left in it. New York session has been absolute garbage all month long. All month long. GJ right now? GJ is working on getting out of here, but still pretty stuck in the range right now. What is the range? Yeah, I think yeah, I was looking to see if we can get some potential moves back up here to do some sort of a fake out, but it might have happened already earlier on. Yeah, I would really like to see us move up, and then we could take sells from down here on this bearish day here, but we'll see if we get that opportunity. Hey, it might just come at 10:30 a.m. Who knows? What's the longest period you took to pass phase one? This one. This one, without a doubt. Oh, yeah. Without a doubt. Yeah, it's the biggest capital I ever used, too. The quickest was in 1 day. 3 trades. Yeah, that's true, Forex Frank. That's true. But those rules are good. You know, those rules are in place to, you know, keep you professional. So I honestly, the rules on the funded accounts really helped me out. All right, so we did get news to come out. Let's see what we're doing here. Green numbers here for unemployment claims. So dollar looked good. Gold may start to head down now. Yeah. Yeah, this is where we took our sells earlier. So we had earlier on we had sell stops right here because you had this support here, you had this pretty much resistance up here. Forget about all this stuff right now. All right. Oh, hold on. All right, and you had a 1 hour seller play. So we took sells on the break of that low right there. And the 4 hour came back up, right, and stopped us out up here. But now we're coming back down. So look, maybe we were right about the direction, wrong about the time here today. Yeah, we had a beautiful 1 hour celery play. Got tapped in, went like, I don't even know, chat. What do we do? 6, 7 pips in profit, maybe 8 pips. Yeah, like 6. Stacking cells, nice. Oh, sheesh. That's why I don't really like to trade news, because it could be a little crazy. Oh, 1 hour packy out here. Free Sam. Oh, Sam's here. Hey, let's find him. Let's find him. Let's spotlight him. Good morning, El Presidente.
Good morning, El Capitan. Next to.
What's good?
Hi. What's good, brother? I'm
How you
feeling
feeling?
good.
Oh yeah.
I'm feeling good. It's Thursday. It's the 21st of December. Guys.
Wow. Insane. What are we thinking about this? Looks like we got mixed news here too. Got green numbers up
Yeah,
for
let's see.
unemployment claims, red for this little Philly Fed stuff too.
Yeah, so you've seen the GDP, the quarterly GDP come down. So that'd be a bullish thing for gold. You had the Philly Fed manufacturing also come out bad. So I think that's why we're seeing gold drive up here.
Yeah,
Unemployment down a little bit, but yeah, I think that the other ones are holding a little bit more weight here
I think so.
with just how this is. Yeah.
We have no stop loss though for any buys here.
Oh yeah, this is a crazy candle. I wouldn't
Yeah.
even. There's certain news chat, guys, you don't want to be in. You just don't want to be in.
You don't want to do
Like, for example, like this GDP, Philly Fed manufacturing. I mean, you're seeing a little bit of a crazy move right here, right now, but we'll see what happens. We'll see if it keeps going.
Grab the pack.
Grab some back, yeah, it did.
Four-hour tricky here, man. Up and down, up and down. Yo, what up, Dominic? Yo, car broke down? Hey, that's no excuse there, Sonny.
Hey,
I
they
need
make
some proof.
spares. Hey, gangs, they make spare wheels.
I want a
slap the donut on that boy.
I want a doctor's note next time, young man.
Yeah, dude, you need a doctor's note, bro. Dude, that's what they only take at the certain jobs. Doctor's note or nothing, bro. Fired. Go.
You're fired. I'd be like, I am the doctor. I self-analyze myself.
Oh.
Running.
Oh yeah,
running.
yeah. What do they call that? Self-diagnosis.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I do all the
diagnose
time too. And then yeah.
myself.
You ever like search up WebMD? It's like, what does it mean if I have a runny nose? And it's like, you got stage 4 cancer at the hospital now. It's like, whoa, whoa. It always tells you like the worst thing. Runny nose. It's like,
That's hilarious.
yo, it's just like the school nurse, bro. Whenever you go to the school nurse,
Ooh, the school
you'd be
nurse.
like, you tell them, like you be having like a stroke, and they'd be like, oh, here's some Tums for that. Slap a Band-Aid on that.
Damn. Yep, we need. They give us food to make us sick, to take the medicine. Oh, to take us more sick. Let me not even go there. Let me not go there. We might get a glitch here in the stream.
Yeah. You might see a little matrix attack.
Hey, we also kind of weave in here how to crack the code on the Matrix, gang. Hope you're paying attention.
That is true. School nurse be like, here's an ice pack. Yeah, true.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Here's
got
an
a-
ice pack.
you got a stomach ache?
broken leg.
Yeah, you got a stomach ache? Here's an ice pack. Like, what? That's all y'all got here?
Your femur's literally pushing out of your leg. They're like, here's an ice pack for that. Yeah, bro. School nurses. School nurse
like-
different.
Just call my mom. Get me out of here.
Yeah, that's where boys become men. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. That's so funny, yeah.
Yo.
Hack is drink water, breathe air. Yo, true, bro. True, bro. Yeah, like when I was sick, like 2 weeks ago, that's all I did. I just did a fast for like 2.5 days and just straight up drinking water. And then it's a little bit of B12 vitamins. Yeah,
bit
you
of
do that
B12.
fast, it'll kill all them dead old cells you got. Put some new ones in for you.
Oh. Put some tussin on
Paras,
it.
bro, ignoring me? Nah, I ain't ignoring you. What up, Paras?
Chat, we're never
Yeah,
ignoring
Paras,
you.
you be talking crazy to me sometimes, Paras. I get nervous to answer you.
That's funny.
You get me quaking.
We're never ignoring you, chat. What did Nasdaq do? Blast it up? Blast off. Did we get any closures though? Nah, we didn't. So that's fine. That's all good. Heart attack. Put some tussle.
Yeah, yeah, here's some cough syrup. What up, Sandman?
Celtic
What, Ali
sea
Reza?
salt, bro. Major hack. You want to get hydrated? Major hack.
Oh, I think I've seen some about that. It's like when you get that salt like in your tissues and that, it helps you absorb and hydrate more.
Yeah, ever since I've been
Talking about the same thing?
popping some Celtic sea salt, I've been feeling like $1 million.
Yeah,
$1
that's
billion
good.
bucks.
How to get the after night shift push day and sauna? Hey, let's go. And then now what? You're just sitting at the charts chilling. That's what's up.
Wait, what?
That's what Taj said in the chat.
Oh,
Where the hell did it just go? See, I already missed that comment. Alright, I can't find it now. That's what I mean, bro.
See?
We ain't
Told you.
ignoring you. How to get the after night shift push day and sauna. Yeah, that's what's up. Putting in that work.
yeah, sauna. I hit the sauna every day, man. I love the sauna.
Bro, I've never been in a sauna.
Stop playing.
Nah, I'm not playing. I've been in like ice baths. Never been in a sauna though.
Sheesh.
I'd love to. I don't even think there is one. Like, which is crazy to think. Nah, like there definitely is one near me, but like
Yeah.
I can't think of like where one would be, bro.
Maybe at some gym.
Probably. Yeah, they probably got one at like LA Fitness or something. Here in Finland, we go to the sauna every day. Does it keep you warm up in Finland?
Finland.
Finland. I'll travel there.
Yo, above 44 here is clean, man.
True.
Clean range.
Yeah,
We
this thing's
are
pushing
pumping
plus.
now.
I ain't gonna lie, I've been looking at it.
Yeah, there's 0 stop loss here though. So if you, I don't know, where did you guys keep your stops? Those that got in. Especially if you enter on the flip. What was that? 70 pips? Yeah. Get back in the sauna, bro.
Sauna was created in Finland? Oh, I did not know that. But what I will say is, like, I've been thinking about, I gotta find someone with a nice, like, jacuzzi, hot tub or something, bro. Just sit in one of them.
Yeah, hot and cold, man. This how you stay young. Right? You get old because you're seeking comfort. But when you seek discomfort, you stress your body out, your body stays young. But if you just sit around and stay comfortable and hang out on that nice warm couch and eat that good chunky monkey ice cream, your body's gonna rust away. It's just sitting there. It's gonna get all rusty. Not gonna work good. Everything's gonna squeak.
Yeah, hot, cold, and motion. Get up, movement.
Yeah, movement.
Say motion is lotion.
Yeah, ice baths
I
are
forget who
good.
said
I
something
hate cold showers though, because like unless you got an actual shower head that's gonna pump, bro.
Bro,
You'd be like half your body cold, the other half it's like nah.
something happened to my pipes yesterday, bro, and I could not get the shower to get, like, I could everything else but the shower was warm. I just had to get in that thing.
Ooh.
Bro, that was the first like just straight pure cold shower I've taken in like 5-6 years. Crazy though, bro. I was like, I ain't gonna lie, I was so mad when I had to just get in that thing when I didn't want to, but you gotta do what you gotta do, bro. It's that or sit there like a grease ball. I ain't trying to be greasy, bro.
GJ money again? Maybe, maybe. Maybe. This is all the news candle here, so we'll wait for the 4 hour to close here, and then we'll see where we're at. Yeah, we got a closure coming up in like 15 minutes.
Joe Biden love ice cream though. Well, if you want to be like Joe Biden, then eat ice cream. Simple.
I love ice cream too, but it's not the best for us. Yeah, if
Yeah,
gold,
I love that.
if gold could do something like this, right, or even like create a support and then close above here, I think that's gonna be our buying opportunity. Come 9:30. Yeah, get a little support and then right into action.
Yeah, I like that too. That'll be muy bien. What flavor is that, Mr. President? You talking about my water? It's just water.
The flavor. You're wrong about stress? No, I'm not. Stress, we're not talking about that type of stress. We're not talking about the stress you have on your bills or, you know, all your thinking, overthinking. We're talking about stress in the body, right? Getting it cold, getting it hot, running, exercising, eating good foods, right? That's the stress we're talking about. Not worry, doubt, disbelief. Two different stresses. Oh, early morning river. Yeah, that was probably a nice cold plunge.
Yeah, true.
What up, AB Mike? What's good? What's good?
Maybe Mike.
Where's Johnny Boy? Sleeping in New York, huh? I think he might have called it a year.
Yeah, I was debating on it.
You pretty
I've been
much
here,
called it
but
a year
just
too,
chilling.
right?
Yeah, like
Yeah.
in terms of like, yeah, like taking, like, you know, if I see something I like,
Yeah, that's it.
actually yesterday, bro, I did take that 1 hour celery at, like, I think it was like 8:30 or something like that. But
Oh,
I
wait.
got caught holding the bag, bro. I had to take, I was up like almost 30 pips and then I didn't close anything and it pulled back on me. Like, it was one of them trades where I seen 30 and for like 2 seconds it was right there. And, it pulled back, boom, straight to 15. And so I was like, all right, well, if it'll come back down a little further, I'll close some. And it never did, bro.
Wait, which one?
I got,
This one? This over here?
yeah,
Yesterday?
right where you're, oh, wait, hold up, bring your mouse back over. Yeah, that trade.
Right
Yeah,
here?
bro, as soon as it tapped into that resistance
Oh,
or support to the
yeah.
left, as soon as that happened, bro, it
Yeah.
spiked straight back up.
Yeah,
and then it went,
yeah.
you know, there's no way I let a trade that I was up almost 30 pips come back to a loss. So yeah.
Yeah, nah, we were looking about taking that, but I think we had like no top wick or something. And then it came back up and closed bullish and all that, yeah.
Yeah, I think I was just watching at the 1 hour and I wasn't really like, you know, I was just kind of like chilling, doing my thing, and then I seen it got activated, and I was like, oh wow.
Yeah,
And
that
then,
went like
I ain't gonna lie, I held the bag on that, bro.
Yeah, it went in profit pretty good. I remember it was a quick push down too.
Yeah, but other than that though, like you said, like there really hadn't been too much.
Yeah, nah.
Like I saw that yesterday, looked all right, and then yeah, nah, I think gold's. We've been in this like goofy range from like 2020 to 2040.
Yeah, it's been nasty.
So yeah. Yeah, we'll see if we reject it today. I guess right now, or if we break up out of it, but
We'll see.
yeah, we'll see.
The goofy range? Yeah.
Yeah, they
Hold on. 1 sec.
motion is lotion. Wise man. You guys like that? I don't know where I heard that before. Maybe it was like my chiropractor or something told me, or maybe like with track and field. What accent is he speaking? Pittsburghese, Pittsburghese. That's what they call it around here, bro. I don't actually think I have an accent. Even, well, it's crazy that you say that though, because like even people around here sometimes ask me. I think it's just cause like I'm goofy, bro. Yinzers, yo, Mark knows, bro. The steel curtain. Yes, that's where that's where I reside. Mark, you're from Western PA? Yo, yeah, me too. Obviously, I just told you, but yeah, that's awesome. You might be the first person. Like, there's been people in the chat that have said they're like from like Philly or out towards like probably like Allentown, but yo, Sam, what you get me for Christmas, bro? If I wake up and there isn't a 500K account wrapped up under the tree, there's gonna be pop-ups. I got you, bro. That's so funny. Oh wow, from Newcastle? Yeah, wow, yeah, that's probably like, I don't know how far that actually is from me, but I know it's like over towards like Youngstown in Ohio.
Ohio.
Over in Ohio, swag in Ohio.
New Jersey? New Jersey's in the house? How you doing? How you doing, New Jersey?
Yeah, I've never been to Jersey, believe it or not. It's like right there.
Let me get a bagel.
GJ breaking out. Yo, when I see Nick Sue take dubs on GJ, it makes me want to start trading.
Yo, GJ don't want to leave.
Bro, it don't.
What the heck?
Dude, yesterday was a beautiful trade, bro. I was like, wow.
GJ's funny, man.
That's what I mean, yeah. Like, it's not that, like, we or whatever do anything different, bro. It's just GJ is GJ.
Yo, the screen went black? Damn. The feds are watching, B. That's that's that Matrix talk. Oh, Brooklyn's in the house. How you doing?
Bingaman's Ferry? I have to look that up. I'm not gonna lie, I do not know where that is.
7 a.m. Oh yeah, 7 a.m. Yeah, honestly, that trade was mainly based off. I wanted to get the 6 a.m. volume, but we never got activated, and then it planted a seller replay. So you know, I had to take that on a bearish day. Yeah, Rolex. Yeah, it was too good not to take. Just turned 17. Yo, damn, son.
Oh, let's go. Happy birthday.
Happy B-Day? Yeah. Man, if I knew about trading at 17. What plan would I go in your shoes? Honestly, I wouldn't even worry about the whole high risk trades, making all this money. I would take a whole year to learn what the F I'm doing. I would take the whole year. I wouldn't care about no results. I sit down and I try and become the best trader, try and understand the markets to the best of my ability, and then I will focus on earning. So I will first begin to focus on learning, and then I will focus on earning. I don't know how long you've been trading, but I would just, you got time. You got time. I don't even think you can trade yet, right? I mean,
Yeah,
I'm
focus on
not here to
craft.
say who could trade or not, but
Yeah, Nick's a Fed.
I ain't the
Nick's need
Fed.
a
So
Fed.
how old was I when I started learning trading? 29. 29, I think.
Yeah, it's like whenever they say Forex trading is banned in India. But then I see so many people that say they're from India, but they're
Yeah,
trading
word.
Forex. I ain't the Fed. I just always say, okay.
Don't make your YouTube name your personal name.
Yeah,
Keep
they're
that
gonna find me.
username going. Actually, 28. Yeah, 28 is where I kind of started learning. Yeah, 30 is when I started really taking it serious. How long you been doing trading? Why, you trying to figure out my age? Ah. You're trying to figure out how old I am. I used to do that to my teachers. Damn, now I'm that guy? What in the world?
That makes me think of the other day when I was like, I put 2 and 2 together and I was like, yo, that was when Nick was born. I forget what I was talking about, bro. I forget what made me say that. That's funny though.
Yeah.
Sam Capital, ¿vas a España de vacaciones o no? Uy, algún día, someday.
Yeah, I'm 30. I'm 33 in human years, but in Wakanda, I am over 2,000 years old.
In Wakanda, he's
I
100.
started learning trading when I was 1,500. Nick's 48. $86. I'm learning at 40. Yeah, simple. Young man right there. Oh, Mustajab just turned 20. Let's go, bro.
W.
Let's go. Oh, we got another 1990 baby here. Let's go. Yeah, 1990. Any Forex books I recommend? The Forex Mindset and Trading in the Zone. The Forex Mindset by Jared F. Martinez. Trading in the Zone by the man, the myth, the legend, Mark Douglas. He has another good book. I haven't really read the whole thing. It's called The Disciplined Trader. That was a good one too. I didn't read the whole thing of that. Whole book though.
Oh, look at all these goats that just popped in the chat. I see Scott. I see Rafi. I see Shiro.
Shiro!
Oi, oi,
Oi! See? I brought up Wakanda, and my Wakanda family came.
That's funny, bro.
Yo. First book was The Forex Mindset by Jared F. Martinez. It's a book. You can get it on Amazon. It's green and white, so that's how you'll know it's Oh, nice. Wait, do you live near Travis, Sam, or no?
Oh, nah, that's
No.
like 5 hours from me.
My bad, chat. You guys can't see the Zoom chat here. So that's 5 hours from you? Damn.
Yeah. Something like that. Let me look it up exactly. From here to where is it?
Don't say it out loud.
Yeah.
Not that it would be in their best interest to try and run up on that man, but Dennis Hood's in the house. Let's get Dennis. All right, 4 hour close, 1 minute from now. We'll see how we close up here. Same thing with GJ. 4-hour closure coming up in 1 minute. So we'll see how everything closes up. Let's take a look at NAS 100 as well. Yeah, 4 hours still. This 4-hour candle actually pumped bullish. So yeah, so gold is in a nice clean range here. The thing about gold right now is very tricky, right? So if the 4 hour is going to close, is it going to close above these resistances? Is it going to close below, right? So we're going to find that out in 40 seconds. And then we will see how we can take advantage of gold here. 15. Yeah, this 15 should lead to a pullback, which it is on the 4 hour. And we'll see what happens. Daily did break the highs here too, so it's a nasty wick area.
Yeah.
Right here. This whole area right here. But we're in some choppy waters, mates.
It's getting crikey, mate.
It's getting groggy. All right, 4 hour candle did close. We did close bullish. We closed right at resistance as well. So if we look at the 4 hour, right, candle closure, you have a resistance right here. We seem to close right at it. Although we did close bullish, right? We still did close bullish. So I would expect a bottom wick and then the next candle to fill this wick here or attempt to fill the wick. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like on the lower time frames. Let's go. Yeah, like I was saying earlier, if we can get this to happen, we drew this out a little earlier. If we can get something like this to go down where price does close back above, then I will be open to taking buys in here and continuing on up as we did break the daily highs earlier. So let's see if we actually do get this support to plant. And if it does, and we do get a closure above, then that'll be the next step here on gold.
And then we have a good day.
Then we have a great day.
What up, Goldwick? What up, brother?
Yo, Cat Studios in the house.
Cat
What's
Studios,
up, Cat?
yeah.
Yo, I miss you.
That's a name I haven't seen in a minute.
I miss you.
At least in the YouTube chat.
The fat little Shiro. Yo. Cat Studios, a legend. Yo, what up, Rafi? Rafi's in the house.
Rafi.
Wow, GJ running here. Broke the highs right away. Yeah. Yeah, if you get a 15 close, there may be some opportunity for us on pound yen here. Want to see a 15 bearish candle close. If not, we may get that pullback now, and then we could probably take ourselves from up here. Yeah, it would be nice to see a see us break the 4 hour high again, come up towards like 18500. That'll also be like a nice little push up on the 15, create resistance, and then come back down. So something like this. Boom. Boom. Bearish close, and then we could potentially take our sells now from up here. All right, on the way back down.
J. Yo, can we get some likes on the stream? Likes on the stream? Wow, I try to. Let's read this. Hurrah says, Hagamos. That's the only word I don't know. Plan a trip to Spain. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, we'll go. We're pulling up.
Spain, eh?
Yeah, we'll pull up. I think Spain is probably really nice. Go to Spain.
Yeah, my wife has family in Spain.
Oh, yeah, that'd be nice. That'd be cool to go. I don't know anybody in Spain. I know Henry Restless in Spain. That's who I know.
Oh, snap. Yeah, we lit, chat. We got, yeah, we got ourselves a partnership with TradeZella. So they're going to offer our team 10% discounts with a discount code. So if any of you guys want to start really journaling your trades and having a whole back office like I'm going to do here in 2024, don't sign up yet. We're going to get you a 10% discount. Yeah, every TTE member is going to get a discount. They want me to tell them what the discount code is. What should I tell them? TTW? TTW? TTE?
Yeah, one of those two. We'll make a poll in the chat.
Nah, I'm going to just do it.
I'm just... That's the meme, bro. Make a poll. Yo, chat, can you hear me? TTE 10.
TTE 24? 2024? TTE fam? Breathe air?
Breathe air, yeah, that's funny. I like how the dude spamming it is his name is Breathe Air, buddy.
I think TTE. Or we'll just make it Sam Capital.
No.
Put in Sam Capital to get your 10% off.
It'd be like, okay.
Quake free? Put the promo code. Quake free. TT 34 lots. Wakanda. Yo. I think we're going to do TTE 24. Bink 24. Blink 182.
Now you're gonna have to listen to that, bro. Say it ain't so. Gold will not go.
Shiro, what should we name it, bro? Talk to me. 2024?
No strategy 24?
Or TTE? No, I don't want to make TTEW. TTE 24. I think that's what I'm going to tell them. Yeah. It's official. All right, TTE 24. So I guess give that a little time. They'll respond back to me and stuff. And yeah. Get ready to track them trades, man. Yeah, if you haven't tracked your trades up until this point, as you guys know, we track all of our trades here, right? So this is the journal I've been using for quite some time. Started using this with Don. I know he's recently, I think, revamped his journal, and I'll probably still use this one, but you know, for manual, like just manually use it. But yeah, TradeZella is going to be attached to my account, so that'll just track everything like that. Yeah. Yeah, we'll still track here though, because I like to manually track as well. All right, 4 hours giving a bottom wick here. Brother starving discount. What we doing, gold? Yeah, like I said, it'd be lovely to plant a support like down here. Right? This is your 9 to 9:15, and then if 9:15 can kind of close bullish, right, planting a support, then we may be able to take buys here at 9:30. Clip it, TK. Clip it.
Clip it. It's been 5 months. I couldn't pass my challenge. Didn't blow it. I'm at break even. Can you give me some good advice? So listen, you're right at the break even stage. You are right there. You're right there. Focus on cutting down your losses, and just taking, you know, be a little bit more selective with your trades. That's what I'll say.
Yeah. Discount. Yeah, break even is like the light at the end of the tunnel, man. If you're like breaking even, that's a good sign.
Yeah, that is.
Right. Why don't I use my FX book? I don't know. No reason. Nasdaq support. Let's take a look. Yeah, moving on up here. How we doing on the daily? Yeah, notice how we got no bottom wick here. This may be a sign that there's just way too much bullish pressure in that candle. So yeah, wait for a support here on the 15, and then you got more clean move up. But I would say wait for a support here. Yeah, that promo code will probably be valid in like a couple hours.
Must be an oldie to you? Yeah. That's a classic, bro. All the small things, and then the other song, I think it's First Date. That one goes crazy.
Who's that?
By Blink 182.
Johnny Boy got them sleep stops activated, I think. What time is it? 9:13.
He got them slump stops activated. That boy slump. Nah, he's resting up. Johnny Boy's probably like done for the year, bro. He got that GJ banger, and he's like, we're gonna end it on a good note.
Yeah. I'm out. I'm out of here now. Oh, damn, look at pound yen. Back up we go. 4 hour creating a top wick maybe, or maybe these supports are just holding things up. Yeah, pound yen resistance, gold support would be nice. Nasdaq support. So, you know, we had a bearish bias here on the day with gold, and you know, we were anticipating I think when we came to the charts, we had a top wick right around 2037 here, right? And we were beginning to move down, and so we were anticipating the candle to flip, and potentially drive down towards like 2020, 2019 there. But now, you know, we've broken the highs. We've closed bullish on the 4 hour. We've also closed bullish on the 1 hour. We've closed bullish on the 30. The 15's pulling back right here to give this new 4 hour a potential bottom wick. And like I said, if we do create that support right along this resistance level here, then I think we should be good to continue up. Yeah. Yeah, you got a resistance here. This is also going to be a wick fill on the 15. 4 hour wick fill. And then where's the daily highs here? Yeah, daily highs. So if we do get in buys, we tap target, you may have a nice runner here today if you break that high. So yeah, 15 minutes going to close here in 1 minute. So if the next 15 can close bullish, then we will set up for buys here at 9:30. So we want to see the next candle close bullish, right? Something like this, and then we can take our buys coming up. Motion.
Motion's lotion. Y'all like that, bro. That's so funny to me. How is Pep? Yo, she's getting big.
Pepe.
Pep.
It's like Peppa Pig. I had to turn that show off in my house, man. That girl like too damn snotty, man.
I like whenever the Papa Pig would pop out and he like slams down in the room.
Looking like a dummy. Notice how all the cartoons, they make the dad and the male figure look like a big dummy.
That's what I was just gonna say, bro. Yeah, it's like, oh, the dad. That's like the modern dad that they like preach now in America. It's like they want you to be like, oh, just, you know, fat dude that just, you know, just goes to work and provides. And yeah, I don't know, bro.
We might crack the matrix here again.
They want you to, yeah. Yep.
Oh, what's up, Dylan? No worries, bro. That's like my brother Joe. That's why he's not here, you know? He's got that new account on his phone, so he can't type. Oh, look at that. I turned off Peppa too. There you go. Both little snotty kids.
And Caillou, yo.
Them damn kids. Yeah, I had a few. For those of you guys with kids, we put some other cool stuff on. I'll try and find it. I'll ask my wife to send it
You
to
put
me.
on Blippy.
Bluey.
Nah, have you heard of the Blippy dude?
Nah. Blippy?
Yeah, Blippy. Yo. Just me. When I think of that, bro.
I didn't say it. Travis said it. Yep. All my homies hate Peppa.
Yeah. Yeah, Travis, 100%, bro.
We got a lot of all the parents in the chat now. All the 17-year-olds are sitting back now like, oh god, talking about these damn kids again. My kids will watch ICT. Yeah, I never heard of Blippy.
I think it's like a newer thing. I just like seen it like 2 years ago, bro. But yeah, I don't know. That dude is crazy.
Yeah, Bluey's solid. I let them watch Bluey. There's still a few things in Bluey I sometimes don't like, but yeah, Bluey's good. 17-year-olds. What the hell are these guys talking about? Gotta protect your kids, man.
New parent, Blippy controls 1 to 3-year-olds.
For real.
Yeah. That's so funny. I don't even know how to like. I've only like, bro. Like, I've not actually like. Yeah, Blippy, the orange and blue dude, Sam, man. Yeah, exactly. He's just as like, I don't know, like, kid-friendly dude. Absolutely just wired, bro. He's like, look, this is a elephant. Elephant.
That sounds like that Miss Rachel chick, man. Miss Rachel's raising everyone's kids out here.
Miss
Man,
Rachel, I don't know if I know that is.
I hope the elite don't get a hold of her.
I think Miss Rachel's
Someone brought up Miss Rachel, yep. It's bad for business. Yeah, look, that's why we love trading. Like, that's why I love, you know, trading was really able to give me freedom. And before me and my wife ever had kids, we always wanted to instill the principles and the ideas and the, you know, the thought process into our kids that we have, you know. And it's been a blessing to be home with our kids every day, to really be able to sit there and work with them and teach. And I mean, it's mainly Alea. Maverick's still a little bit young, but don't get it confused, you know, like, their subconscious is always open. They're always learning, especially at that age. They're always learning. They're really, really, really good learners. So, got to be careful, man. My kids love Miss Rachel.
I gotta look it up and see who that is.
Miss Rachel?
Yeah.
I only watch South Park with my 3-year-old. There you go. Yo, my dad used to watch South Park with me. I'm like, damn, Dad. Damn, Daniel. Looking back.
Bro, when I was young, I don't even know what I would watch. I never really watch TV like too much. When I was like real young, I think like I watched like Barney, but I don't even remember it. But like when I do, what I do remember was SpongeBob, bro, and iCarly.
Where Barney been, bro?
Barney.
Bring out the homie Barney, dude. What is that? I'm
Barney.
about to bring out the old VHSs for my kids.
Yeah, Barney was pretty good, I feel like. I don't know. He teaches you to be nice to people and just treat everyone with... What does he say? His song's like, I love you.
Yeah, I'll have to review the Barney VHSs before I play him. Who knows what the guy was saying?
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I have no idea.
Angels in the Outfield? What a good movie. What a good movie. Yeah, GJ, if we got a resistance here, not too bad. This is what we've been waiting on all day here for pound yen.
Teletubbies, bro.
I didn't watch those, man.
Bro,
I was older at that
Teletubbies.
point.
Yo, there was a vacuum cleaner called Nunu, and that thing was going crazy, bro. I just remember that. That's the only thing I remember from Teletubbies. Yeah, his name was crazy. I love that. Nunu. It's like my dog, bro. Mumu. So funny, bro. We gotta change the topic. I'm done talking about this stuff. Oh, I thought Teletubbies weird and creepy? Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, they kind of were. Nunu was a G, though. Just like Louis G. Your age? I'm 4. No, I'm kidding. I'm 22. Alexandros, yeah.
No more
Always
Teletubbies.
wanted, yeah, always wanted to try their pancakes. Yeah, Nunu, bro, he would eat them up, dude. That's what I'm saying. That's what he was for. He would like clean up. Yeah, bro. So I gotta look him up now. Nunu.
New. Someone asked how them steaks were last night. Phenomenal. Phenomenal. Yo, by the way, yo, if you guys have sent me messages and I haven't replied, I'm gonna get back to every single message when we break here, over the next 2 weeks. So I've got so many things to catch up with here in terms of the messages. So I got y'all. Do I eat them well done? Ah, man, yesterday I had them sitting a little too long, so they were a little bit more well done. I like them medium. I don't like them too rare like all you guys.
Yeah, I like mine like just a little pink. I'm lying when I say I like it mooing. I'm lying.
GJ got a... Yeah, we may have a resistance here, and we may have a 30-minute celery here on pound yen. So we got 4 minutes for the candle to close. We'll see how we close, but looking pretty good. And then gold, if we can create and establish that support, which we're working on it. So we'll see. Where's John? I don't know. Hero of the day. They just watched the live stream all day long. Your daughter's like, I don't want to watch the live stream anymore. Like, no, we're watching the live stream.
It's too damn bad.
Now get your notebook and take notes. Do I trade Bitcoin? No, I just hold Bitcoin. I don't trade it though. Oh, Johnny Boy's in the house. Gang, you asked for him and he is here.
Bring him in.
Hello, John.
Get him a drum roll in the
What's
chat.
good, boys?
Yo.
Welcome to the
Yo,
December 21st New York live stream. How you doing today?
Hey, thank you for having me. I'm doing absolutely amazing. How you boys doing?
Fantastic.
Yo.
I came for the cheat code.
You may be just in time for another GJ position. Actually,
Beautiful.
gold looking really good too, chat.
What's up, chat? How y'all doing?
Ooh, gold do be looking.
Morning.
Morning.
Hey, nah, I wasn't sleeping.
Nah, he wasn't sleeping.
I'm here to clock in for my 9:30 shifts.
You clock in for 9:30 to 10:30. That's a good shift.
Yeah, we're 9:30 to 10:30 shifts. Yo, what's up, chat? Good to see y'all here again. Let's go.
Yeah. All right, we got a closure coming up in 2 minutes.
Yeah, let's lock it in. No more.
Get in.
No more
No more
Teletubby
TV
talk.
shows. Yeah, no more time. No more new.
No more talks about Bluey. Come on.
What up, Ali Reza?
Hey, appreciate that, Alireza. Hope you're doing good. What's up, Dominic?
Let's go, Goldie. Pull back on us here, buddy.
Give us a top weight, Goldie.
Oh,
GJ not bad though.
so you got like 15 pips.
Yeah, not bad. Yeah, chat. GJ got a nice little celery play popping off here. If gold could pull back a little bit, that'd be awesome. This is exactly what we drew out, so this would be nice too if we can get a bottom wick on the next candle and then push up. Yo, Tom and Jerry. Yes, that's probably. I think I'll make my kids watch Tom and Jerry. Thank you for reminding me.
For real.
Word.
Bro. There's no words.
Tom and Jerry's good, yeah.
It's just funny. Like,
Yeah.
and Alea too, Nick. I feel like she'd be dying laughing.
All right, we may have sheesh, we may have two opportunities here. Yeah, let's take a look at gold. If we can get a bottom wick here on the 30 and then break the highs, that'll be my move on gold. GJ, let's see if we can get a top wick here.
Yeah. Gold ID.
Yeah,
Hold
gold
back
drives.
first. Don't go too much. Yeah, don't go further. Talk to me nice, gold.
Let gold do what it wants.
Yeah, GJ's not bad here.
Oh,
Yeah, chat. Gonna have sell stops here on pound yen. Damn. Should I just market execute?
honestly, like I did that yesterday and it wasn't bad.
Spreads one. Yeah, chat. I'm gonna have sell stops here on pound yen. Damn, that was quick. Holy. All right, let's look at gold. Yeah, gold is no bottom wick. So sell stops here on GJ. Going to attempt the second celery here of the day. We are pretty bearish based off the 1 hour, based off the 4 hour, based off the daily. That also does re-break the daily lows. What else we got here? 30-minute lows, 1 hour lows, 15-minute breakthrough, 15-minute support as well. So yeah, that's what GJ's looking like. Gonna go break even right around this these areas right here, right around these support areas where price is wicked into. We should be able to get a 930 push if we do break those lows and probably drive down towards like 179 here. So that'll be the idea here on pound yen. Partials. And then gold, like I said, is just, taking off with no top wick here. 1 hour looks good. 4 hour looks really good, but 15, no top wick, no bottom wick. So yeah. Doom doom. How you trade GJ on MT5? Just look up GBPJPY. You'll find it. Should be there. What broker are you using? Gold has a bullish head and shoulders. Yeah, the only thing is I need to wait for my my signals here, and I need a bottom wick before I do anything.
Yeah, that 15 closed with no top wick.
My bad.
Ooh.
This isn't gonna be partials either. That's gonna be break even for me. Partial's gonna be down here. Yep. Goldie, Goldie. Can you use current candles? Yeah, you can. Current 30-minute candle. Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna use the previous.
Isn't that what you're
candle
using?
here. No, I'm gonna use
You're
previous.
using previous?
Yeah. That's also above that 15 resistance as well. Yeah, 1 hour is good on gold, but not this 30 or the 15. You can
It
use
was good, you
current
know.
candle.
Yeah, GJ's a little slower. Was a little bit slower.
Yeah, with GJ, I might like when we enter, when we start, pushing down. If that happens, then that's when I'll probably move my stops from like previous to current. But right now, I'm gonna have them sit there. Yeah.
Smart.
But GJ should sell off here. Yeah, if we can get below all this too, that'd be great. GJ moving slow. Chat got quiet, just like the music. What's going on here?
Chat quaking.
Hey, yo, chat, remember, you do not have to take this, right? If you're going to quake, don't get in this position.
Oh yeah, if it doesn't look good to you, don't take it.
Before any trade, we got to accept, right, the loss. We're willing to lose this, right, that we put on the table.
Yep.
When we're in the trade, we're, so. Heart rates are pounding. Heart's pumping. Breathe there.
Heartbreaker. Gene Tracer. Can I help with Nasdaq? Yeah. What we got going on here? So, nothing yet. I wouldn't take sells here. I'll just wait for a pullback and support to be formed. Yeah, just wait on that bullish candle. Maybe 945. Yeah, give me a sec. I'll be right back. What this setup is called in the playbook, this is a celery position right here.
Hey, GJ's coming off the bench, I guess. Chat. Bro, Sam, my last 2 trades have been on pound yen.
Really?
Yeah.
Yo, it's a sign, bro. DJ
I
should
know, right?
comeback.
Trying to get off the bench.
Yeah.
You haven't took any trades the last 2 weeks on gold, but 2 trades on pound yen.
Yeah, yesterday that trade looked clean.
Yeah, facts. Nah, it really was. We were super clean to the left.
Yeah, I opened the stream like I don't know. When did you guys take that trade? It was like towards the end of
That was a late trade. That was towards
Yeah,
London
yeah.
close. I think we took it at 11, to be honest. or 10:30, something like that.
Yeah, because I opened up the stream like a little later. And I seen you guys were in it, and I was like, this looks good too.
Facts. Yeah, 30-minute breakout. All the higher time frames were bullish. Clean candles to the left. We had some London close volume, so pretty good. Hey, Panyan, you present the playbook setup, you know, we'll execute on you.
Johnny Boy likes that GJ, bro.
Yeah, GJ's always been the baby, right? From day one.
That is true. That was for my first pair as well.
Facts.
It was like, that's why it's so hard to just like
Let it go. What's up, Paraz? What's up, my man?
Sam, my 5-year-old just said your face is so bright. Yo. Yeah, it's usually when I have my terminal or my Forex factory open. This is terminal. And then this is Forex factory. Which one's brighter?
Oh, damn.
Yeah, that's my terminal.
Jeez.
The whole thing is so one big white screen.
Yo.
That's Aiden Ross, bruv. No, it's not. Expedition's bad.
Could you change
No,
could you
but-
change it to dark mode or not?
I could, but I don't know, bro. I'm a weirdo. I like the daytime mode.
Nah, I feel that. People like their own things, you know. It's totally fun.
Yeah. It keeps me lets me know I'm sitting here.
Facts. Facts.
You heard me? Yeah, that's funny. That's funny that your 5-year-old seen it. Was like, yo, look at him. He's glowing.
Yeah, that's funny. That's awesome. You got your 5-year-old watching. Shout out your 5-year-old.
True. Soaking in the knowledge. Yeah, like Nick was saying earlier too, like really young kids, bro, they're like a sponge. They absorb everything.
Nah,
I
for
think
real.
that's like a study. It's like up until like you're 7, that's like all you're really doing is just absorbing the world around you.
Nah, for real, bro. That makes a lot of sense too. As beginners of the world.
Sam Capital, not good for naked eyes, that bright light.
Gotta get the
Liz.
blue lights, bro.
I don't stare at my terminal unless I'm like about to take a trade. I don't keep it open.
Yeah, for real. Maybe you have a like blue light blocking like mode on your computer.
Oh yeah, but then it makes it all orange.
Yeah, word. You don't want that.
If I sat here all day, then I would.
Word, yeah. Yeah, if you guys sit on the computer a lot, like all day, like try to go outside and like try to look at a far distance. It's healthy for your eyes. That's just a hack a biohacker gave me. Thought I'd share it.
Yeah, that's true.
Bottom wick incoming here on gold. Wick incoming. GJ breaking the lows here. Yeah, we got stops are about like 31 pips, I think. 31 pips. GJ sleeping.
Usually GJ's like, oh damn, I forgot we're still moving here.
Oh, look, we got a bottom wick there on the 30. The 15 closes here in like 1 minute, so we'll see where we're at.
GJ's still looking good too.
Yeah, they're. Current candle. I have previous candle stops. My stops are sitting above the previous candle. I'll probably adjust them and put them current candle eventually as we get, if we get activated and start breaking down, then I may move to current. So yeah. Activated. Damn, you got worse spreads than me.
Yeah, bro. That's why like maybe don't do sell stops, honestly.
Let's see how the 15 closes here in 10 seconds. Let's see gold too. Yeah, there may be an opportunity for gold too here. Especially now that we've broken those highs. I mean, created that bottom wick. Almost. Almost, GJ. Yeah, that's true. Zariah, yeah, every broker's gonna have a little bit of a different spread too.
Very true.
Yeah, I learned something yesterday too, that a lot of people really like ACAP, but I guess the contract that the funded trader has with them is not that good for pound yen or something. So yeah, that's also like you could have ACAP on your personal account and we could have a totally different outcome.
Wow.
ID. I don't like gold moving up like this. I just let it close above.
Come on, Goldie.
I see nothing on gold.
Yeah.
Nothing good.
Because you still got all those resistances to your left.
Didn't close above the 15-minute either.
Yeah,
Or
above
30-minute.
that's right. Above
30-minute
46 is
resistance
gas.
too.
Yeah, 100%.
That's where I have my line. Yeah.
Same.
Yeah.
Are we in yet? Not yet. Almost. Almost.
That's that's weird. A little weird though. Like ACAP is like different with the funded traders people and different if it's like your personal account.
Yeah, I wonder if it has to do with like GJ being like a Forex pair and then like gold and whatever else being like an indice or whatever. I have no idea.
Sure.
Interesting.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, I should be in here pretty soon. All right, yeah, I think I'm in. Yep. So I got into this pound yen position here off of this 30-minute celery here. Stops are going to be kept above the previous candle high. TP is going to be down here for about 44 pips, and that's going to be the move. Going to look to go break even around the 180 and then close some partials up around like 179. Yep. And then Goldie moved up quick here.
Yeah, GJ looks so good, bro.
Yeah.
And gold is chopped. Yeah.
Sounds about right.
Yeah. Gold would have been nice here if it gave us a little bit of a better bottom wick. That happened very quickly on the 15.
Yeah.
Let me take a picture of this real quick for... everybody. Louis G. What up, Louis G?
OSG.
Yeah, gold.
He's just coming out of retirement.
Gold. We'll see how we close up on the 1 hour here in 9 minutes. Yeah, the way we'll take care of GJ here is obviously you guys see if the plan goes in our favor. If we do come back towards like if this candle flips bullish, I'll most likely close my full position there. Yeah, we shouldn't go back up and flip bullish and all that stuff. GJ. Yeah, another lower entry here.
Did you get slipped?
Probably. Where's John's stop loss? Where's your stop loss, John? Up
Oh,
here?
I'm actually not in this trade.
It's not in it.
Then
It's
next
not
to you.
in. Gold is a good sell. Not that I see. Yeah, we'll see if we break that 4 hour high there. Yeah, we'll see.
Excuse me. Sorry.
GJ slow motion here at 9:30. Can we put stops at current 30? Yeah, you can move stops if you like. Yep.
Did
Yeah,
you? Didn't you do that?
I'll move stops with you guys. Yeah. Where the volume at? Word, 9:30. Where you at?
For real.
If it doesn't break the high on gold, can it go down? Yes, absolutely. Yep.
Yeah, get Lele. Just bring out the volume.
Where's she at? Where's she at?
We're here for the volume.
We do. We need her. We need her for the bleeder. Yeah, take a nap, come back.
Or Hmm.
Bring out Layla. Bring out the whole Lele. Gold rejecting the 4-hour highs here.
Yeah, GG, that's a fact. That is the good luck charm for Tom to eat.
Yeah, not too sure what gold wants to do here. Really no decision. We kind of moving up. We filled the 4-hour wick. We're still below all this like 1-hour consolidation or resistances to the left, so not really much happening there. And then GJ, we're seeing if we could work this celery play. Come on down with 930 volume here. We got the 1-hour close here in 3 minutes too, so we'll see how everything closes up and take things from there. I think we have news, right? News at 10 for the US dollar. Bring it.
Let's say yellow folder.
I think Lele's sleeping. What did you say, John?
Is it a yellow folder?
It's I think it's a red folder at 10, right? 10. Oh yeah, you are right.
Yellow folder.
Tomorrow I think we have a red folder at 10. Want to take your Bobo out first? No.
Come on, GJ, break the lows.
Push.
Bush.
Yeah, we got 2 minutes for a closure here. How did you and John meet? My mom gave birth to a baby at the hospital, and I went to visit that baby, and that was John.
That's how we met.
And that's how it went down.
Yeah.
And I slapped him in the face right away. I said, "We're gonna be rich."
Oh yeah.
Does that
Slapped
baby
you
know how
right
to
away.
cry? Slapped him right in the face.
Yeah, that's facts though. He slapped my face with words.
I was like, "Tighten up, little G. We're going for a ride."
Yep. And I was like, bet.
Yo. Oh, I thought I was frozen here for a second. You're going to trade gold when you're... Yeah.
Then
You hear
we
me?
met Raja. No.
Yeah, 1 hour pulling back. 50 seconds for a closure. Yeah, younger brothers, man. A-cap slipped you 5 pips. Sheesh, yeah. Welcome to the club.
Damn.
GJ Quag.
That should be A-cap's goal this year in 2024. Work on GJ.
Work out a better contract with A-cap.
Yeah, facts.
All right, we got a new 1 hour close, 30-minute close. We did close bearish. We will see what happens here.
Oh, really, Peraz? Angelo said that? He's going to remove A-cap from TFT? We'll see.
Oh, snap. Yeah, if we break the 15 high, I may close half of my position. If we break the 15 high. Yeah, if we re-break this low, though, it should be a goner.
Yeah, I think that's smart.
Yeah, close half my position. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that, chat. Close half my position up here. Or down here, I should say. Yeah, I'm going to close full right here. Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like it. Don't like that. Yeah, I close full. Slipped on the way in, slipped on the way out. How you doing? We'll get a lawsuit. Gonna hold it? Yeah. It's still in favor to go down here. But I'm gonna manage risk.
I would have done the same thing.
Yeah.
You closed half
Let's see what
or
goes
full?
on. I close full.
Word.
Yeah, I close half and then I just
I would have did too.
decided to close full there.
That was great management. W. Yes, sir.
Yeah, me not liking that. Like a gazelle, man, when the lions come, skirt, they out.
Yeah.
Just give it up for the year. We got one more day.
Dudes want to throw GJ right back onto the bus.
All right, you know what, GJ, get out of here.
All right, GJ, get back on the bench.
Oh wow, yeah, gold, man.
I just don't think gold wanted to give us anything this last couple weeks. Seems like.
Yeah, Goldie. Goldie. Yeah. My first loss in 10 trades. Hey, good job, man. The Gold Jedi. You should stick with gold. Gold Jedi.
Yeah, good stuff. Right back on to the next win streak, right? Just restart a new win streak now.
Holding it? Okay. Yeah, it's fine if you're holding it. I think our original stops were way up here, right? So, yeah. Yep. Yep. Yeah, cut them quick. Yeah, it may still work out, but I'm cutting that one. Yeah, the last candle, so the candle that we were in on, it kind of wicked down right into that support. So I wanted, so for this move, when I enter a 930 celery, I'm expecting that to be a really fast move, right? I'm expecting things to play out quickly. And if they're not playing out quickly, right? And if 930 didn't do anything outside of tap right into that support, right? Then now I'm going to be on the lookout on how I can manage this quickly if it goes against me, right? Because I wanted to see the candle drive almost immediately on the break of those lows at 930 with all that volume, but it didn't do that, right? So it tapped right into that support. We were like 5 or 6 pips in profit, came back up, broke 15 highs. I'm out of there. I'm out of there.
Amen.
Yes.
Had a plan, sticking to it. That's simple as that.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, let's mark it up. W risk management, yeah. How many L's is that? That is 37 losses for the entire year. Not the week, not the month, for the year. Solid year.
That's pretty good.
That was
Good.
solid, very solid.
Very
Kidding me? Talking about trading Forex right now.
Yeah, very, very good. I used to do that in a week.
Some of you guys did that today.
Yes, people, I did, bro.
Oh yeah.
No good since June? Since June, no good? Adrian Freedom? Let's take a look at
Who
that.
are you, bro?
Let's take a look.
You would have had to have been
July-
here from June.
July was okay. August is pretty good. September was phenomenal. October was pretty good. November was phenomenal. Yeah, we've been doing pretty good, bro. You gotta think before you speak, right? You gotta think before you talk. I think that's a skill set most people just aren't aware of. That was 9:30, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
9:30 a.m.
Yeah, they don't teach that one no more.
Yeah,
They don't teach that in school.
Down yen. 2 celeries today. 2 no bueno. Wow. Can you roll a die and get a 4 twice in a row? That you can. We've seen it here today. Full, and then we did. Let me just see that. $11 pips. Yeah, trade may still play out too.
$15 close in 7 minutes. May close up support. But yo, that's the point of managing risk though, as you just saw Nick do, right? The point is to lose less than we anticipated losing, right? Nick, you just went from, instead of losing 31 pips to like 5 at a technical
11.
logical standpoint.
Yep.
So that's the point of managing risk, and that's what we want to do, right? We want to cut our losses and let our winners run.
Yes, sir. How much percentage you gain on the year? We had 100% on back in like, what was that, like July or August? Yeah. So like I said, you know, we're cruising towards the end of the year here. The goals have already been met.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah, lots of people, you know, the ones that Found us early. Came, got funded. Been chilling.
Yeah.
That or they didn't learn and went all in and blew it.
Yeah, and this is one thing that we decided to work on, right? So, like we said, and I told you guys this from the beginning, when you manage risk, you may have a couple more losses, right? But they're going to be smaller compared to if you don't manage risk, you may win more trades, but the losses are going to be a lot bigger, right? So, you have to keep that in mind.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's so true. And like I was just talking to someone who literally plays like they do like probabilities is literally their income. And they were just talking about how they play blackjack, right? And they were just talking about how like basically I was like just talking to this dude about like basic strategy because that's how he follows. Yeah, he follows a basic strategy and then like certain times, like for example, like he was saying like when you have it's like a 16 against like the dealer's 10, it's almost guaranteed like you know you're gonna lose. So like but there's certain things that you can do that over the span of like a long period of time you will lose less versus if you were to just do nothing and just take that like full loss and you know just pray like, oh, I hope that this is yeah.
No, that's facts, bro.
Doom, doom, doom.
Nah, for real, bro. That's so true, though, Sam. Because the more we manage a trade, like the more we're gonna not have full stops be hit. The more we're just gonna cut the original loss less than it was gonna be.
Right, like it's
Like a
like
compound effect that too.
yeah, like for example, you know, once you get some more experience under your belt, you can kind of tell like once a trade is really gonna start to go against you.
Mm-hmm.
And so it's like instead of, you know, like I was just saying, sitting there hoping and praying that it eventually goes in your way, why not just cut the loss there? Right? Let it be said and done with and then just on to the next one. Like I feel like we say this all the time, but like I don't really know another way to explain it.
I understand.
Yeah. Gold ripping now. Ripping. Yeah. Big 15-minute candle here. Sheesh.
Yeah, Alexandros, W for risk management. Yes, sir. That's a W. And remember, a healthy loss is a W in disguise.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, true.
15 made a nice flip on which chart? Which pair? Yeah, 15 was pretty nice here. Wasn't bad on the 1 hour too. I mean on the 30. Breaking that low right there. It's better to close trade early if we think we are in the wrong direction. No point in hitting stop loss. Yeah, that's true. We had a great year, so few trades hitting stop loss and be. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you shouldn't get discouraged over it.
Yeah, like there's just certain things that you could do. Like, you know, if you see a candle tapping into somewhere, it might reject and it's starting to come back to or you know, move towards your stop loss, even if like you have like candles just closing against you. Like,
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, nice move here on gold. Sheesh. We were too focused on GJ there. Damn you, GJ. Be gone. I told you, we need to get GJ out of here.
I guess that was nice on the 15.
tell them bring back Brexit. Just tell them bring it back, bro. Say, you sure you didn't, you know, maybe want to just
bring that back?
Yeah.
Tell them to bring out the whole ocean.
Yeah, W day. Yo, like we always talk about, you know, and this is a chance for you to see how you know, traders act, right? Traders react. It's not the result of the trade. It's the result of you acting on the edge. So today we acted on 2 celery plays, 2 celeries. You know, typically those are gonna be winners 9 out of 10 times. So, you know, you gotta act. What we did today differently than the first half of the year was manage risk a little bit better, right? Manage that trade. I don't know if it's gonna. Yeah, I mean, we would have still been in this position, but it's not looking that good, right? It's not looking too great. So, like we talked about in the boot camp about really managing risk and, you know, taking the time to see, hey, is the lower time frames, you know, showing us that that there's a chance price may go against us. And on this, it was, right? It was. We tapped into that support on the 15. We also broke the 15 high, and we're moving bullish here. So, gotta manage risk there. Yeah. Other than that,
100%.
I mean,
Yeah, that's so true. Like, you know, if your goal is to become a profitable full-time trader, you know, you're not going to get there without making the mistakes and taking the losses to learn from them and grow from them. All right?
Yep.
Like me, Nick, John, bro, like we probably lost more trades just losing than like y'all have taken total. Like win, loss, whatever it was. Like, and that's just, you know, why we have the confidence to sit up here and, you know, do this. It's just, you know, learn it from experience. I feel like even if you were someone who went and you worked on trading for 5 years, didn't see it, you know, didn't get to the goal that you wanted to get to, or it doesn't have to be trading, drop shipping, whatever business it is. You're a different person at the end of those 5 years than whenever you first went into it, and you learned so many different things. So, yeah,
I agree.
Yeah,
that's what the losses and everything that you know you take in trading, and you know that's why it's always important. I think too, like, you know, no one trade is gonna make you rich. You know, but one trade can definitely blow your account. So, you know, that's why it's important to, you know, not focus on the money, focus on the craft, focus on taking the best trades possible, and that money will come.
yes, sir.
That's very true.
That it will.
And like when we're managing risk too, like trading is about probabilities as well, right? So if the 15 minutes gonna close against us now, right? If we're in a sell and the 15-minute now closes bullish, right? Broke the highs, whatever it may be, there's a higher probability, right? Since trading is about probabilities, there's a higher probability now that the next candle will continue on bullish, right? And if we're in sells and there's a higher probability we're gonna continue bullish, we want to get out of those sells, right?
Mm-hmm.
But yeah.
Raja said a lot of trades will lose in December. Yeah, I mean it's low volume, so we already know that. You know, I'm already coming in to the charts with that. I understand that. Yeah, but you know I'm still here to take playbook setups. Still here with you guys to take some playbook setups till we got one more day. All right, one more day.
Yo, last day of the year tomorrow. Wow.
Last day of the year. Year 1 in the books, gang. Wow.
Made noises here.
We had a really good year. We really did. Took a lot of really nice trades at really good times, and really I think a lot of people learned this year as well that trading could be simpler than you thought. That if you just stick with a system, stick with one playbook, and really kind of learn the ins and outs of it, that you can actually be successful, right? And you can take a lot of wins, and you can, you know, actually get to the point where you want to be in your trading by just simplifying things, right? Simplifying things to the max. I think that was a good lesson this year for most. That lesson right there, 2.5 years ago changed the game for me. 2-3 years ago changed everything, and I was like, all right, I don't have to be the greatest. I can simply just run the play. I know how to run the play. Yeah.
Yeah, that's so true.
Yeah, we
That's
crushed
so
it,
true.
man.
You could, we could, I say we, but like, me, you, John, whoever, we could sit here and pretend like, oh yeah, we take the biggest, the best trades that always go the furthest. Well, why not just be the most consistent?
Yeah.
Yep.
Why not? Right? Because big trades, big wins, whatever. You're consistent, you're still making money.
Mm-hmm.
You know, you don't have to be doing this for the gram. I feel like that's like, you know, a lot of people sometimes, I've been there, where it's like you literally just feel like you're trying to get a trade to get a big old nice screenshot, throw up on your Instagram story or whatever, like, until you realize that shit don't pay the bills.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
That's facts, bro. Very easy to fake things.
Yeah, sir. That's why we do the live streams. So those
Yeah.
guys can't fake you out anymore. Oh, look at this. Can we break the lows? 30-minute flipping now. 1 hour flipping.
Yeah. So I guess like TLDR to what I was saying is, you know, just be consistent, run your own race. You know,
Yes.
it's not a competition.
You versus you.
And then take the things that you learn here and then, you know, apply them to what you already know and keep moving day in, day out. This doesn't stop.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Maybe it's time to pay attention to liquidity. I don't know, man. I think I'm doing pretty good, to be honest. I'm very comfortable with my trading style. I'm very comfortable where I'm at as a trader. I think overall with everything, it was like we had like 142 wins and like 44 or 45 losses on the year overall. So that was in the signals channel. So I feel pretty good, man. I learned some things this year, a couple little nuances that we can apply to next year. Gonna manage risk a little bit better. I think I'm straight, man. I'm really honed in and have learned a lot this year, and you know, have done it in front of thousands of people every day too. So you got to remember that, right? So we all learned together, and it was a good year.
Yeah, amazing year. Yeah, I came into this year thinking like, man, like wow, how could I get better? And, whew, I had no idea, but I definitely did.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
What's it doing? What's it doing? Is it gonna go? Will it go? Will it go? Squeezed a few pips. Nice.
Hell yeah. And we're hungry. We're hungry for next year.
Oh.
And just as we used the previous year's lessons for the current year, we're going to do the same thing next year. We're going to use this year's lessons for next year. And that's how it's going to be. Just going to be
baby.
progressing here.
Growth,
Purpose of life is
baby.
growth. Purpose of life is growth. Let's go.
Are we gonna break down? We closed right at support. Right here at this support. So yeah.
Yeah, GJ's rejecting that again.
Gold moving back up. Gold up, gold down, gold up, gold down. Yeah, 2024 we cook. We're cooking.
You already know.
Yeah, nah, this year was
2023 was
awesome.
a scrimmage, bro.
Yeah, man.
Yo,
Next year's the game.
We came out the gates running too in February, and then we just started taking off, man. March,
Sure,
we
too.
literally took 3 losses in March. Small losses too, man. Yeah, these were all taken on 10 lots on a live 100K account. All these positions from March to like I think July.
yeah, it's eating.
Yeah. Yeah, April we took 2 losses. May we took a few, I think 3 or 4. Yeah, it was a good year.
June, every trade on June next year, I'll be risking my whole account. No, I'm kidding.
Yeah.
That's funny. And we also do a little trolling.
Yeah, that's wrong.
That's funny.
Yep. Yeah, August was good too. Yeah, we ran hard in August. September we were this is basically when I started slowing it down a little bit. September, October, November, December. Yeah.
August was a good month. I liked August. I feel
Yeah, me
like
too.
that
It was a good
August,
comeback month.
July, bro, like that just shook the Quakers for one. So you could really see, you know, who was hanging in there and is dedicated and really wanted
Yeah.
to make this work.
Yeah.
And then
Cleaned it up.
also, like, you know, it's a given that you don't really learn too much from your wins.
Yep.
And like those weren't even bad months. I think I remember I said
They're
like
like
back
break
in
even.
July, like you could go back and watch like the losses that happened in like July, and just by watching those losses you could learn so much from just that.
Yeah. Yeah, the 2 worst months I think were break even, so they weren't even negative months.
Right.
That's great.
What changed? That's the thing. Nothing changed. Right? Nothing really changed. We just did the same thing we did all year long. That was it.
Yeah, and it was a
Gotta-
given. We know that like the summer months are a little slower, so you know, what
Yep.
did you see in July, August, and that? So
Yeah, nah, August was sick, bro.
yeah.
Yeah, we had a
I
crappy
like
July. Well, I mean, not even crappy. We took 5 losses. But yeah, we felt like we had a crappy
thing-
July and just revenge in August. And then
You know,
September.
another part of being a professional trader too is we gotta adapt to the market conditions we're given, right? Market conditions will change every quarter, you know, whatever, but
Yep.
we gotta adapt to them as professional
Yeah.
traders. So
Yeah, you know,
that's what
honestly,
you saw also this year.
yeah, one thing I'm glad you asked that. One thing I feel like maybe happened too was when everything happened with my Forex funds, it made me in a way I could say subconsciously kind of like be like screw these prop firms, right? And just like whatever about it. So, I don't know. I think maybe I had some psychology stuff going on, and I don't know, maybe when that happened for like a little bit, but nothing that's like too crazy. But just
No,
the
I
whole
think
fact
everyone
of being
was-
like,
Yeah,
I don't
I
even,
mean-
am I wasting my time? Blah, 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 you know, stuff like that.
For real.
Oh yeah, no, like I remember that. That's how I felt too. Like I remember, yo, like whenever that whole MFF thing happened at first, it's just like everything stopped for
Yeah.
like a day or two, bro. I was like, whoa,
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
are all these firms about to get shut down or what? Yeah.
Are all these firms doing that? Yeah. I think everyone was
Yeah.
hit psychologically with something when that happened.
Yep.
Yeah. Nah, it wasn't just you.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, it's a wrap
Nah,
next year.
This year's been great.
Oh,
This year
GJ.
was amazing.
GJ, go. I'm rooting for you guys. If you guys are still in, I really want this to play out for you.
Oh yeah.
DJ.
Well, we broke.
Yeah, that's so true. Gotta trade. Yep.
For real,
Yep.
gotta trade. That's facts.
Bigger
My
picture.
man, gotta trade.
I love Gotta Trade, man. Shout out to Gotta Trade.
Yeah.
W's
And
in the
when-
chat
and
for
when you-
Gotta Trade.
Yeah, for real. Spam W's for God trade. But that's facts though. You can have 10 W months, profitable months, and what does that matter when if there's 2 negative or BE months, right? When you got 10 profitable winning months.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nah, for sure. Yeah, that's the thing you guys don't understand. Like, remember before the live stream, I was already running this up for 2.5 years on 10 lots, right, on a 100K account. So when you see me, and I don't want to make this seem unrealistic, but when you see me go through like a couple months without making $1, it doesn't hurt because of the work that was put in the years prior, right? So yeah, you'll get there. You'll get there too at some point.
Yeah.
W's in the
Also,
chat.
I'm not bashing on funded accounts because I love funded accounts. But I think some people are saying, you know, how do you make money, right? It's because, well, you don't have a personal account. Get some real skin in the game, right? You'll start making money today. I'm not saying don't do funded either. I'm saying do both.
W's in the chat. Yeah, exactly.
W's.
Wada Trade. Wada Trade knows the vibe.
Trade's been trading longer than a lot of us here.
A lot of us been alive.
For real. I know for a fact me.
Yeah. Goldie, Goldie. Wow. Yeah, floor trading. Yeah, your boy got a trade done. He spoke with the legend himself, Mark Douglas. I remember that story you told me.
That's awesome.
Man,
Yeah,
man
that's
called
fire. I
Mark
didn't know
Douglas
that.
up at the crib. Back when people used the home phones, man.
Savage.
Yeah, you see, called him at home.
Got a trade, bro. You're a legend.
Yeah. Oh, let's go, GJ. Go, go. Go, GJ, go. Oh, it's closing
Honestly,
below, which is good.
I highly advise a lot of you watch a lot of Mark Douglas because that man is dropping gems.
Yeah.
His wife answered.
Yeah, I remember
Yeah,
you
that's-
told me that. His wife answered, yep. Average total pips for, oh, I don't know. I have to do the math.
Damn, got a trade. That's awesome.
Yeah, that's sick. I think we did the math at one point, but I can't remember. But what time is it here? 10:30? Yeah, I think I'm gonna dip out here today, chat. Yeah, I think that's gonna be the day. We'll close up shop here tomorrow for the year, and see see where we fall tomorrow. See if we get any opportunities, and if not, then we out, man. We out to 2024. Yeah, we'll
man.
put a bow on it here today, and
Good.
come back tomorrow and close up shop.
Yeah, W.
Great.
Dessert.
What a year.
Maybe we'll
Yeah,
do a
we still got
giveaway,
one more day though.
little giveaway or two tomorrow.
I'm down, bro. I'm down.
Yeah.
Hey.
So yeah,
Alright.
we'll come back tomorrow, and then we will break from the 22nd all the way to like the 8th of January. Yep. And then we'll be
Oh.
back in full force.
Let's get it.
Yes, sir. All right,
go.
cool.
All right. Nick and Sam, have a blessed day. I'll talk to you boys later. Chat, have a great day.
Yes,
See you guys
sir.
later.
Yeah, you
Later,
too,
boys.
John. You too,
Thanks,
Nick.
boys.
Take it easy.
Peace.
Once I find
Later.
the Zoom, I can leave.
Yes, sir.
I don't know
I'm
where
gone.
it went.
Later, gang. Later. Chat, all the mods, thanks for pulling up today, as always. Everybody else, Jesus loves you, and so do I. And we'll see you tomorrow. Cool?